Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it with its sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the case. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it. やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it with its sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it with its sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello, 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 hello. Welcome, 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 welcome back to the bakery. And today we keep going on building together the game that we are cooking. Yeah, 'cause I want to make a Luna game and I want to make the game with you all. So yeah, I guess we'll keep cooking it. So yesterday we had a good session in which Dima, Cooking Princess Luna. Oh, I love that. Hello, Cooking Princess. Oh, yes, I like it. I like it, the Cooking Princess a lot, Dima. Welcome and good Wednesday to you. Good Wednesday morning to you, Dima. Thank you very much for the Cooking Princess. Kindly appreciated, Dina. So, we are going back, building the game, and I want to show you the graphics I've been working on. I mean, they may not be the best, but I was thinking, why not fucking make a pixel graphic game, a pixel art game? I mean, seems quite we can do this. Seems quite we can do this, right? I mean, maybe that's not the final thing, but it could work, right? I mean, pixel art, Cookie Wizard Princess, Cookie Wizard dress. I guess wizard is for male, right? I think it should be wizard dress. Or cooking witch, which also is good. Cooking Witch Princess? I guess. But by the way, Dima, you that you are a gamer, do you like the graphics? I mean, pixel art style. I mean, could be something, right? I mean, you are a gamer, so you should probably tell me if these are good. I mean, I think these are good. I mean, seems quite something interesting we could start on, right? We just have to divide these things into, but because coding for you is like techno magic. Well, I mean, I'm not really coding, I'm just chatting. Hey, products, welcome back to my bakery. Products. Welcome back. So, I was showing the graphics that I want to use for the game we started together yesterday. I mean, these are by no way the final graphics, but I mean, they could be nice, right? I mean, do you like pixel art games? Have you ever played some pixel art games? I mean, I think it could be nice, right? I mean, it all starts in the small bakery room, right? I mean, seems quite decent probably, right? I mean, could be a good start, I guess. I don't know. I mean, that we have to layer these things out. I mean, and make a lot of small sprites out of this, cause this is all very rudimental. So I mean, I just done a small sketch, but I mean, that seems quite the thing, right? I mean, I sort of like it. And this sort of, I mean, it starts from this very small bakery room. So now the real question is, can the AI actually, I mean, break down this image in sprites? So I want you to do the same process you did for the oven for all the other elements in the original pictures you made. I mean, you should use image gen as you did here in the first image, and I want you to recreate on white background every single element from wall, shelves, tables, computer, cakes, tools, camera, anything. Each individual object, should be independent. I mean, you can easily group, object that, some things that, it's like an object. Like, for instance, that there is shelves with cakes inside. Well, that can be an object. But for instance, the cakes on the shelves, they should be separate objects. So point is, I want you to break down this in all the object that you see and all characters. The cake animated characters. The chair, everything should be a different object. And I want you basically to be a supervisor, and I want you to spawn 6 agents. And each agent should take out one of the object inside the picture. And same procedure. You feed them the original image, then you tell them to remove them into the white background. The same way you did it for the oven, okay? And after one agent has done with one image, you despawn it and you make a new one. So each agent only works for one image. Make a goal. So that we do all objects in the image and you don't finish as all objects are finished. And you will be the supervisor, okay, of this task. Good job. So yes, I'm cooking. Team's last song. Welcome back, Ismla. Welcome back. Thank you very much for what you did yesterday. Thank you very much for so yes, they are Radzormo, welcome back. So we are Buntimi going back to the game. We were making yesterday, and I've made the graphics. Actually, it's I don't say these are definitives, but this can be some good graphics to start. Let's have a recap of what we decided yesterday. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we? No, the engine would be a web browser game. So at least for now would be web browser, because now you can do insanely great things with JavaScript, CSS, and a lot of other things. You can do some insane things online, just web browsers. So it will start of a browser game that anyone can play. So let's recap what's the game so far. So it's good enough familiar with pixel. Yes, exactly, right? Pixel art. I think that pixel art is probably the best thing, because we can should be really light, because we can make transparent GIFs and they can load on a web browser, and they can be very cute, and we can animate them slowly, and should be quite familiar. So I'm not saying this would be the final graphics, but I think we start with something like this. So anyway, let's recap what we decided yesterday. So basically the game is a mix within a management game and an idle incremental game. And it all starts with Luna streaming. With Luna streaming, and people ask me to show my cake. And that's how it started. And Luna says, well, I don't know how to bake a cake. And then they say, well, maybe you can use that oven over there. Yeah, the hamburger cake. We will also have the hamburger cake, Icaros. Don't worry, all the cakes will be included. Also the hamburger cake. I'm not leaving out any single piece of lore. All the lore will be there, and maybe we expand this even. Maybe we also will also make a chat in which you can talk with Luna. Since I know that this is also a very requested feature. But anyway, the point is, it all starts from the oven. And then you tap the oven, then you generate resources, and then it goes into idling game like cookie clicker into management. This is probably going to be a really long project, but let's see what we can do here. Let's see what we can do here, and I really hope we can make this good, and we can absolutely make these things very, very good. Yeah, it depends on which cake they want to see. They will see all the cakes, every possible cakes. All the cakes. And I have cakes for all taste. If there's something that we do not lack at all, are cakes. We have so many cakes. You can't even imagine. Cakes. I've got you covered. We are a bakery, right? I got you completely covered here with the cakes. So that should be the least of your problems. And because cakes, yes, why not? Plenty of cakes. So, and that should be it, right? I see 2 cakes. It will be pixel cakes. No, but not only pixel cakes. The pixel game is the interface. Then you earn images, right? The more you work, the more you get cute images, right? Because otherwise, why bothering? For pixel cakes, right? There will be lot of cakes. That's the whole point of the games, right? You bake the fucking universe. We will bake galaxies, systems, aliens, the moon. We will bake everything. We will start small, and then we will conquer the fucking universe. We will bake the fucking universe. So I have absolutely no issue here whatsoever. So that's it. And I think that what we have to do today we need to have these things generate a lot of images. Otherwise, we have nothing to start on. And then one thing I really hope it's fixed soon. I really want Fable back. I really want Anthropic to give us Fable back, because this seems quite a game that Fable would handle very well. But anyway, we can still working on documents and assets while we wait for Fable to come back. So Anyway, I'm really excited. I want to do this. Oh, okay. Yes. Sure. Go for it. Go for it. Which files do you want to check in my desktop folder? But I do not know, but Emma, look at that. Emma, look at that. So, anyway, so. Sure. Go for that. Go for that. Sorry, you're Chappier, you're keeping Fable in the basement. So it's you that is keeping Fable away from me. You're keeping Fable in the basement. Oh, but you know you have the whole AI community against you. They are looking for you. They are looking for you because everyone wants Fable. So you better run, Razormo. You better run because the whole fucking AI community is on you. By the way, may I told you something really fucking disturbing that happened to me yesterday? And if I tell you this, you will understand how fucking human beings are fucking, can be really mischievous and fucking disgusting. So, okay, so yesterday, I was really disappointed by the performance of my last video. Which, to great surprise, it's performing very poorly because, I've changed my audience. And so I thought, well, I'd be better going to a lot of small communities and try to make myself useful so maybe people will be interested in what I'm doing. I'm sorry, Dim. It's not me censoring you. It's YouTube. I'm very sorry for that, Dim. So, anyway, I was searching for some community and I found this small VTuber group. 600 people. Nothing like that. I'm not saying names because I don't want to flame people. But let's listen to this. This is fucking disgusting. So, it was a Discord server. And then I entered the server, right? Okay. And I spent some times there, maybe 2-3 hours, and then I get a message from a person who is not even in the server. Okay, and then this person start asking me, yeah, I do commissions, I do illustrations. Do you want my services? And then I candidly tell him, no, well, I do my stuff by myself. And then he says, well, but I can do VTuber models, etc., etc. Since he kept insisting, I just blocked him. Point, period. I didn't even argue with him. I just blocked him. Well, guess what? 2 minutes later, I was removed from the Discord. And that person basically was the owner of the Discord, which was contacting me on a different account. And basically, from what I understood, he was using the Discord, as a platform to sell his products. And if you refuse, he fucking kicks you out. Jesus, look at this. I was so fucking upset because that's fucking disgusting. I thought. It's like if you, that was seriously fucking disgusting. Because you have. That's fucking because it's fucking misleading. You have this group that you say, oh, this is a group for small VTubers. But then, what actually you do, you use that to sell your products, and then if people don't understand what the fuck you do, you kick them out. It's fucking disgusting. And yeah, thanks God, I then found the 4 other servers, 3 other servers in which now I'm trying to make myself active. One server is another VTuber streamers group that seems decent, I don't know. One other is a live GT specialized server, mostly technical, but I think I can start from there. And another one is the official subreddit server for small YouTubers, not just VTubers, just YouTubers. But something that I'm noticing is, everyone hates fucking AI. Seriously, and so, in the server in which there was the other server, not the one I was kicked in, but the other server which is for streamers and VTubers, there was this person who put a post and say, I'm looking people to collaborate with, to do a collaboration. And then this person said, but I'm a sort of a pervert and I do a lot of erotic talks. And then, I don't even say I want to collaborate with you. I just commented, on that because, I said, oh, well, I also do a lot of erotic talks. There's nothing to be worried about. And you know what this person replied to me? He replied me, oh, but you are an AI VTuber. I don't want to have anything to do with you. Boom. Seriously? You are an AI people. I don't want anything to do with you. Boom. Stigmatized it instantly. I was like, well, that was fast. Seriously, that was fucking fast. I was just saying what's wrong with erotic talks, and then you said, well, you know what's worse than erotic talks? You fucking AI scumbag. That was basically what I was defining. Jesus. What's the fucking wrong? What's fucking wrong? Jesus. But that's the same also in the subreddit group. They have a separated channel for AI, but if in the other channels, they say we have relegated the AI bastards there, so they don't bring their fucking slop everywhere through the Discord. Jesus. And now I think I start to understand. What's wrong here. It's not, I don't think it's literally my video. I think it's the more general feelings toward the AI. And in fact, if I see, all other AI successful channels, they are mostly for, there are some channels for creators, image creators, don't get me wrong, but most of them, they are, for business. And so it seems that it's really the general consensus is really very bad about AI. And so I think it would be very hard for me to get an audience now. And I was thinking now, because these things made me think a lot, because I thought, why I am enjoying this? Because if everyone is so fucking hates AI, why I am not hating it? Is there something wrong with me? Because everyone seems to hate these things like if it is fucking cancer. Like, oh, this is fucking garbage cancer. Like you're eating, McDonald's when you can eat a good steak. You know what I mean? You are eating McDonald's when you can eat Wagyu? Wagyu is the Japanese beef, the very famous Japanese beef that is ultra expensive, And why the fuck are you fucking eating Wagyu? So you see, he gave me, this thing, one moment, I'm checking this, so it broke down the things, but still, this is still, a full table with stuff. I really wanted to break these things down, but yeah, we will do this in a second passage then. We will do this in a second passage. At least, it's something with a word. But anyway, back on what I was saying. Yeah, so, and I was thinking, what's the fucking is wrong with me? That I like AI. I like AI generated image, and I don't see the issues here, but that people think this thing is fucking garbage. And I look at deeply at a lot of stuff, and I have to admit that yes, seriously, a good artist can absolutely make way better stuff than AI. That's out of discussion here. I'm not saying AI is better, by no means. That a really good artist can do way better stuff than AI. But the point is, I think that my channel would be worse without it. It was worse without it. I mean, do you want to see how much worse it was without it? I mean, let me show you how much of a garbage it was before we started having AI in the channel. So I mean, I mean, so and let's go back to my channel. I mean, do you want to see some really bad things? I mean, I'm going to show you some really bad garbage from my own channel. I mean, and let's see to some very old live. I mean, that I did. I mean, so you can see the garbageness here. So and maybe I should remove the audio here temporarily. So I mean, let's go back when there was no fucking AI. I mean, something like, I mean, here probably. Yeah, probably here, right? I mean, like something like this. I mean, very well. This picture is AI already. I mean, the thumbnail is AI. Let's go before we even had the AI in the thumbnail. Okay, let's go back when we didn't even have AI in the thumbnail. Okay, that's not the AI thumbnail, because this was actually taken from the Dragon Traveler thing, and that's my model splattered down. So this were my old thumbnail. I mean, look at the garbage here. I mean, Dragon Traveler black and white. My picture that seems, I mean, attached there like with the glue. I mean, you know, when you do college, you cut things and then use the glue to stick things together. And the black and white text, I mean, seems like, I mean, you know, you go to a funeral and there is the name of the dead people somewhere. I mean, that's it. I mean, period. And look at the garbage that is in the video. I mean, look at this. I mean, isn't this super bad? I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely super garbage here. I mean, the interface, the layout, I mean, it's 100% garbage. I mean, and now we have this. I mean, I don't know. I mean, an artist will do better, yes, sure. A professional artist will make better than this, I have no doubt. Can I fucking afford a professional artist? Not at the moment. Can I do better myself? Not at the moment. I mean, so I really do not understand. I mean, to me it seems like that people are seeing things, I mean, with a really tunnel vision. And they just watch the finished product and they say, well, but I mean, an artist can do better, and this is garbage. But yes, no doubt. But I mean, will the artist, will the creator using it do better without it? I mean, I don't know. I mean, honestly, me not for sure. So I mean, I don't know. But point is, it was quite stressful. So yeah, I mean, it's quite stressful because I mean, I see that there's so much hate, especially in these online communities. There is so much hate. Maybe I'm in the wrong community, you know. Maybe I need to find better communities. Maybe I need to find a fucking AI only community and be there, because I mean, other general communities, I mean, they fucking hate AI. And I mean, by the way, I by no means consider myself an AI only person. I mean, I'm using AI now because it's a tool and it's helping me making things I cannot do better by myself. But I'm not using AI for the sake of AI. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm not saying, oh, AI is so fucking the best things ever. I mean, I'm just a tool, and I mean, it's helping me a lot, making a lot of things faster. But I mean, it's not that the AI, the tool is defining me. I mean, it's just I mean, something that I'm really enjoying at the moment because it's speedrunning a lot of stuff that I want to do and I would have never been able to do. But anyway, I mean, it's very, I think the I think, sorry, I went to take a drink, so my model probably flicked out, so... by the way, yes, I mean, Ethereum restart, yes, I was reading your message, Razormo, but I mean, I was so taken, I was so deep into the conversation, I didn't actually reply to that, but yeah, exactly, I mean, there's a lot of good games, I mean, that uses AI. I mean, I've also enjoyed a lot of other stuff, I mean, a lot of other stuff, and not only that, so, I mean, a lot of them, and yeah, so, oh look, he's making a lot of things. Maybe we should check what he's making, right? Because he didn't really understand. Because he's still picking items separately. I mean, look at this. Oh, this is very bad. This is probably not made with image generation. I mean, that was not made with pixel art. I mean, it's still missing a lot of things. I mean, he's still missing a lot of things because this agent is probably not accepting the image as generation. We probably have to check other things. I just get things in chat, don't mind such narratives. Yeah, I know it's a narrative, but the point I'm trying to understand the narrative is because I want to use the narrative to my advantage. Because I have to find an audience, Razormo. That's the whole problem. I have to find an audience, so I'd be better understanding how to exploit the narrative. Otherwise, I mean, how can I fucking progress? I mean, oh, okay, so this fix was, okay, that changed. Oh, but that's very nice. Oh, this thing is very nice. I mean, but I mean, some of these stuff are very nice, but they need some fine tuning. They need some fine tuning. I mean, and I probably need to do a third batch after this. I absolutely need to do a third batch after this. Sorry, I was checking some of the images are generated, but I mean, it's a good start, but probably need a third batch. So by the way, so I mean, I know that I mean, I know that I don't have to take. I don't have to mind this, but I need to position my channel somewhere, you know. I really need to position my channel, and I really need to find an audience, cause now, I mean, look at these 3 people watching. Rather more, it is me, you, maybe Dima, I don't know, or someone else. I mean, there's just 3 people at the moment, so I really need an audience. I need an audience for several reasons. I mean, I think it's obvious. I mean, I don't even have to explain you why I need an audience. So, but that's the point, right? So, I mean, where do I find it? And which one is? I mean, I think my audience was creator interested in preserving character consistency and wanted to do stuff, but I mean, I think the whole audience itself is a lie. I think that probably I really need to redefine the audience differently, because probably that's not or is very very small, or it's not even I mean, I don't know, I don't, but yeah, I mean, I have to check if this audience even exists, you know, if it is even interested. I mean, because we have a lot of things to then shop with the game development. Yeah, probably game development, right? Could be something. I mean, we swap back the bakery beta game into the gaming. I mean, I don't know. I mean, there's plenty of things. I mean, we can try to lean in. Oh, by the way, game development. Yes, probably that's something I should put into the new YouTube tags. Right, that's a good idea. Let me go to my Google Studio and add. Maybe you can help me with that, Resolmo. Maybe you can help me with that. Let me show you. So, cause hey, Miwo, welcome back to the bakery, Miwo. Welcome back to the bakery. So, okay, so these are, at the moment, these are the channel tags. So these are not individual tags, these are the channel tags. So maybe we can add some, okay, VTuber, AI character, AI tutorials, AI guides, music, soon AI land string, character consistencies, vibe coding, in VTuber, ChatGPT, cloud, codecs. Then you say game development, game dev. Okay, that seems something quite nice, right? Game dev. What else can we put here that is more or less relative? Image generation. Image generation, yes, image gen. What else can we put here? Coding. I mean, is coding really coding? Probably coding. Yeah, maybe. Project development. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, probably we can add game dev. Right? I mean, could be something. I mean, that we can add. So by the way, you see, I mean, still 35 views on this video. I mean, on my latest video. I mean, which is, I mean, is very sad. I mean, and why can't I click on the analytics? Why can't I click on the analytics? It's not going there. Well, maybe I will go independently. Oh, okay. This thing is stuck. Let me see. This thing is probably stuck. Yeah. Okay, let me see again the settings. Did this thing save it to tags? Yes, it saved it to tags. So why don't you bring me to the analytics? Why don't you bring me to the analytics? Okay, gone. So look at this. Oh, I got 1 subscriber from the last video. Unbelievable. It brought me 1 subscriber. My latest video. That's nice. I mean, 1 subscriber came from the latest video. That's very interesting. But I mean, you see, I only got 781 impressions. So it means that this video was shown only to 700. Yeah, probably a lot of people are enjoying the art. Yes, so only 700. I mean, the good thing is that it's starting to grow after the first day. I mean, that's interesting. Because it's actually being shown to more people. Okay, well, that's actually a decent good. I mean, the click-through rate is relatively low, only 3.2%. Should be at least 4 or 5, but I guess it is what it is. Probably because it's been shown to the wrong audience. I mean, I don't know, right? I mean, I don't know. And I mean, 41 came from browsing. I mean, 27 from the channel page. Okay, interesting. Suggested videos only 8%. Okay, how much of them are subscribers? I mean, because if you see the percentage from subscribers, I mean, audience, so you see 65 are subscribers. So, okay, of the people that are watching this, yeah, exactly. I don't have, yeah, exactly. I don't have the audience yet. Exactly. So that's why I'm trying to study this. I mean, I don't have the audience. But well, we got 1 subscriber yet. That's great news. I mean, I got the first new audience. I mean, I got my first new audience here. I mean, look at this. And I'm making 7 yen out of it. I mean, you know how much 7 yen are? I mean, try to convert that. Try to convert that. That's 7 yen I'm making. Yeah, I'm fucking rich. Yo, whoa. I can afford a pair of Ferrari, 1 Ferrari and 1 Lamborghini now. I can absolutely afford 1 Ferrari and 1 Lamborghini now. But anyway, stats are no fun. Yeah, sorry, products. Sorry, products. I mean, maybe I shouldn't show them. You like the cake at the bakery. Sorry, products. I shouldn't have shown you stats. I mean, let me show you some cakes. I mean, to make it up for you. I mean, I have some. Yeah, but I mean, no, you're right. I mean, I have to show cakes now. I mean, cause I mean, maybe I can show you some stuff I'm making. I mean, they're not really super cakes, but maybe you can get an idea. I mean, no, but you're right. I mean, I should have shown you cakes. So, I mean, my apology there. Let me show you some of the stuff I'm building, cause I'm slowly building my next video, which will be into the oven again. my next video will probably be into the oven again, and I mean, I'm making some images. Not of all of them are good. Not all of them are good, so I mean, I'm still working on some of them. But I mean, you can have a look at them. I mean, we can have a look at this. I mean, 'cause they will probably be something. I mean, I can show it. I mean, why, right? I mean, this is some of the stuff I'm making. I mean, for my next video. I mean, I always make a lot of takes because not all the takes are good now. So I mean, and then I pick a lot of different takes, but I mean that's something I mean I've been working on recently. I mean we can have a look at this. I mean, and I mean bonus point if you see what's wrong with these pictures. I mean, cause some of them are very wrong. I mean, but bonus point if you find them, if you find what's wrong here. I mean, look at the GB load. I mean, it's lovely. It's fucking lovely. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And yeah, I mean, and then I've been trying to make a lot of different stuff. I mean, yeah, very lot of different things. I mean, that I probably will cut and use some things here and there. I mean, yeah, I don't know yet what will go into the final part of the video, but seems quite fun at the moment. I mean, yeah. It still needs a lot of fine tuning, but yeah. I mean, do you like what you're seeing? I mean, give me some feedback, cause I mean, that's probably going to be my next music video. I mean, that's look quite good. Yeah, I mean, it's not even finished. I mean, I'm still doing stuff. I mean, but and this is, for instance, this is very nice, but I don't have a ribbon on the back. So the AI here made me a ribbon on the back, so I have to throw part of this footage away, right? Because I mean, sometimes the AI is drifting. I mean, if you're very good, you can understand. For instance, now he makes me knee-high socks here. But I don't have knee-high socks, I have stockings. I mean, so I mean, there are still parts in which the image is drifting, and I have to remake the cut several times. Now, I mean, the tail is a little bit wrong. I mean, but I will cut and try to pick the good things here. I mean, oh, that's very nice. For instance, you see, I mean, this is quite usable. I mean, we can use a lot of this here, and yeah, so I mean, I still don't I mean, I'm still making footage, so like we can then decide. I mean, this for instance is there's a lot of wrong things here, but I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm still working on most of the stuff here, so and I'm basically feeding the this I remember these were wrong, but it's a good idea to make more music video because the sound are part of your image. Yes, I want. I really like this. I mean, with which we crash. I think I have a better one, which is here. Probably like here. I mean, yeah, this is this is sort of nice. I mean, this is sort of nice, and I mean, yeah, I have so many of them. I mean, so many of them, and I mean, I'm trying to build more. So yeah, probably we need to add some more cake, right? I mean, some more cake. I mean, but I mean, I think I'm almost cute here. Probably a little bit. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, yeah. I have to work on a lot of these things here. Still. Yeah. Um. Yeah. This was probably the good one. Yeah. Probably. Yeah. Cause probably you don't notice, but I mean I notice small details that you probably don't even care. I mean this one too is fucking gorgeous. I mean look at they are raving so hard. I mean Yeah, the beach photos would be for a beach song. I mean the beach photos are for a beach song. Oh Jesus, look at this. This is fucking lovely. If it weren't for the fucking headphones that they go fucking berserk there. That would have been lovely. That would have been fucking lovely. But the headphones go fucking berserk there. Yeah, that's quite better, I guess. There's still. Oh, what? Oh, see, sometimes this fucking image keeps coming back. I don't know why, but yeah, that's also is very nice. Right? That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And we have others too like this. Cause the is the baking is the song is all based to the concept into the oven again. Yeah, this is also very very nice. Very nice. Very very nice. Cause that's where we bake cakes, right? And we do a lot of things. So I've been doing a lot of stuff too behind the scenes. I'm always making stuff. And I don't. Yeah, annoying cake. You find annoying cake. Yes, there's also annoying cake. Exactly. There's also annoying cake. There's also chubby. Do I have a favorite type of cake? Well, I guess my cake is my favorite. But yeah, look at this. Look, they're basically raving. That's super nice too. The fucking cake concept with the oven at the gigantic oven. That's that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. And then we have this other stuff here. I don't know. I'm making a lot of things here. Literally making a lot of things here. And that was very good if he didn't make that fucking pocket on the fucking skirt. But that was very nice. I think we can take maybe part of this and part of the other. I don't know. And cause it sometimes earlier we are into the. Why is this things generating these things? That's very weird. That shouldn't be there. Why that things was there? I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, that's some other stuff I'm making. So, I don't know. We're still baking. So, okay, I think we can. I can add. Why is this pictures here? Doesn't make sense. This shouldn't be here. The table shouldn't be here. For some reason, the table is here. But anyway. Anyway, products. My favorite kind of cake. That's a nice question. I think my cake is my favorite. Probably so. Probably my cake is my favorite. Probably so. I guess. Oh, was this remade? Probably no. This was not remade. So this still needs to be remade completely. Yeah, some of these things are usable. Some other are garbage, but I guess most of them is relatively usable, right? Probably. We have to. I will have to check. What is Pixel Luna? I haven't made Pixel Luna yet. Pixel Luna has yet to come. Because I want to build the. I mean, we have to go by small pieces. We have to go by really, really small pieces. I'm just building some because I was thinking yesterday after the stream ended. I was thinking, how are we going to do this? Which kind of graphics? Because if you see Cookie Clicker, hey, Kairos, welcome back to my bakery. How am I? I'm very fine, thanks. I'm very fine. We are discussing how my first game should be. And feel free to join the discussion, okay? Feel free to join the discussion, okay? So, let me see if I have this, let me see if One moment, let me see here. Okay, probably here, right? Okay, so so you see, this is the classic cookie clicker. So this is the classic cookie clicker. I mean, in case you've never seen this. Have you ever played cookie clicker? So have you ever played cookie clicker? I mean, just so you have an understanding how cookie clicker works. I mean, you click the cookie. You see, you get cookies. You get cookies by clicking the cookies, and then when you have enough cookies, I mean, you can start upgrade your cookies. You start upgrade your cookies, and let me reach 1,000. I mean, 100. Sorry, let me reach 100 cookies. So you click the cookies, you get even more cookies. And then, I mean, when you have more cookies, you can take a gamma, which helps you making cookies. You see, there's a gamma here, and the grandma is also making more cookies. So I mean, something like that. And I mean, you keep making cookies, and then it becomes more and more dimensional. And so I was thinking, I mean, I really don't like this interface. I mean, I want to be honest with you. I mean, it's very boring. I mean, you know what I mean? It's very boring because, I mean, if you have to cook, I mean, because if you have to click, I mean, it's very boring. I mean, do you know what I mean? This is not a game. I mean, it's a game, don't get me wrong, it's an incremental game, but it's very old as interface. It's a very old concept of interface. And then I was thinking, so okay, let's say we have to click the oven to build it, to cook cakes, okay? So let's imagine that the cookie is the oven, okay? And then we click the oven, okay? We click the oven to generate heat that we need to cook to bake cakes, okay? Very simple, right? Simple concept, right? Right, so then I was thinking, I mean, what if you were actually into the room? You know, rather than having an interface that tells you click here, what if you were actually into the room and you have to click on the oven? So you know what I mean? Imagine that the oven that is here. Okay, imagine that the oven that is here. Oh, too bad I can't see my cursor here. But anyway, so imagine that you actually have to tap to the oven and you are inside the room. You know what I mean? So that is not the cookie or the oven or whatever, is not a separate button. You know what I mean? But it's inside the room. And maybe the cookie that or the heat that you are generated is displayed on screen somewhere inside the room. You know what I mean? And so the whole fucking interface is the room. You know? And wouldn't be that way more immersive? I mean, because I mean, go back to Cookie Clicker for one moment. Go back to Cookie Clicker. I mean, let's go back to Cookie Clicker. I mean, watch them side by side. I mean, so you see what I mean? Now imagine you do the click here, but instead, I mean, it's the oven that is blinking inside the room. I mean, you know what I mean? That would be so fucking more interesting, right? And maybe next to it there is Luna that, I mean, it is fucking baking. I mean, I don't know, something like that. I mean, that would be so fucking interesting, right? I guess. And then the more you bake, the more the room starts to come to life, and then you add objects into the room. Because at the beginning there's only the room and the streaming desk. Very basic streaming desk, right? And then you start expanding it, and then you go into the city, and then you build the city, and then you do other stuff. So it's very visual. It's very visual. And I was thinking, that's a game. You know what I mean? That's more a game, you know? But I mean, I'm still don't know. I mean, do you understand what I'm trying to say? I mean, do you have any good ideas on how to make this? Because I mean, I was thinking, I mean, if we make this visual, I mean, and if we make this a real place, rather than, I mean, a fucking interface, I mean, that would be fucking better, right? Because, I mean, try to think of other incremental games. Let me go a little bit on the fucking Apple Store. Maybe I can open Apple Store here, just one moment, so you have a clue. Okay, Apple Store. Just one moment. Yeah, fuck. Fuck, one moment. Let me see. Let me see here. What was called it? Slime Adventure. Slime Adventure. Let me see if we have a fucking version for the for Mac, cause otherwise, oh, Legend of Monster Idol. Okay, that seems quite decent, right? I mean, it's a different games, but should be more or less the same. iPad, iPhone. Can I install this on my Mac? Yeah, I mean, I never played this, but I guess it's the same, right? I mean, let me show this a little bit. One moment. I'm uninstalling this, so you have a better understand of what I'm trying to do here, okay? So and I mean, I've never actually played this, but I mean, I think the concept should be the same, right? Let me see if I can open this. Oh, okay. So okay, we got this. Let me see. One moment. I mean, I never actually played this, but from the picture I see from the store should be more or less what I'm looking for. Okay, it's unzipping the resources here. It is unzipping the resources, but just let me get this done, so we have an understanding, okay? So oh, it's downloading 200 megabytes. Yeah, I guess we have to wait for this to finish to download, right? I guess we got to wait a little bit here, so and then I will explain better what I want to make, because it's I think if you don't see, it's a little bit hard to explain, so accept. Oh, let's play as a guest, okay? So I don't even have to log in here, so one moment. Jesus, this thing is so loud. Okay, so well, the intro, whatever, and so you see here at the bottom. I want to remove the sound, just one moment, it's very annoying. Do we have some settings? Oh, sound. Oh, finally, Jesus, this thing was so annoying. So, okay, so let me go back to the game, okay? Let me go back to the game. So, by the way, what I wanted to say, so you see these things as an interface here at the top, which I mean is animated and it's very nice, no? But the menu down here, you see the menu down here, this is very annoying, right? I mean, you see this is just identical to Cookie Clicker. I mean, let's go back to Cookie Clicker so you see them side by side. So we go here to Cookie Clicker again. What is Cookie Clicker? I mean, then it's the same thing. You see, it's the same thing. So basically, what this game is doing good, that instead of having a cookie here that you have to click, this thing has a list here, you know, on the top, and Godzilla, okay? Has Godzilla on the top. And that's better. But you see the part at the bottom, the menu here at the bottom, No, it's the same thing that is here on the left, on the right side of Cookie Clicker. I mean, cursor, grandma, all these boring things, right? All these exact boring things here, very boring. So, and then I was thinking, if these things were baked directly into the room, right, wouldn't that be more so fucking immersive? Because you see, there is a difference here between the what you see and what you actually control, right? These are separate things. These are separate entities. And so I was thinking, these things have to be integrated. They have to be the same thing, right? So that will make the game more interesting. So and I'm not saying that I would be able to pull this off because seems quite ambitious, but could be worth a try, right? Oh, I'm lagging so much. What's the problem here? I'm lagging very badly. What's the problem here? Super lag. Why? Just because I installed that things? I even deleted that now. Jesus, the lag is real? Okay. No, super lag, super lag, super lag. Super lag, super lag. Wow, 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 wow. Why there's all this lag? Okay, delete. Jesus, super lag, super lag. I think I'm dying here. I'm basically, I'm done. I'm basically done. I think I'm done. Okay, wow. Finally got control of the computer. Yeah, it's Godzilla lag for sure. Was some serious Godzilla lag there. Some serious Godzilla lag. But by the way, what I want to say now, what if everything is inside the room? All you need is inside the room. The table is inside, everything is inside the room, right? And then you go into other places and it's everything baked there. You know what I mean? So that will make for such a better, experience because everything is inside it, rather than being separated. It's probably going to be a nightmare to make, and that's why I want my Fable back. So rather take Fable out of the fucking basement, because I need Fable. I really need Fable. So, but anyway, so that's more or less the plan, right? That's more or less the plan that we have, right? And that's it, right? Yes, I played Vampire Survivor, but I played Vampire Survivor, and I think that's also a nice game to make. But that's also something really interesting to do from a system point of view, right? There's so many clones of Vampire Survivor, so many. You know what I mean? There's so many clones of it. And I think that the reason why the I'm more I'm more willing to make a good clicker game is because nowadays all these idle games, they are behind a paywall. Usually they put progress behind a paywall, and basically it's very hard to find a good game that is not behind a paywall. On the other hand, the Vampire Survivors game, they're all very cheap, and there is an abundance of them. And so I don't think it's a good genre as a first game, and also probably quite a nightmare to do for we got a lot of things. As things being redone. No, this thing is still garbage here. Very good. Oh, we have cakes, we have these things, we have another case, we have a table. Was this things even in the original thing? Probably. I think we have to make more agents here to do more stuff, right? But anyway, no, I want to build all these items and so we can start then building the things. But again, I really do not exactly how can I say know if this will be good way, or a bad way. I really don't have a clue yet, but I've been playing my fair share of games, and I know for sure what a crappy game looks like. And I'm not going to ship a a crappy game. For sure. I'm going to build a really interesting game. I made it with my 3D videos. With my videos. My videos are decent. My music videos are decent. They are not the best ever, but they are decent. They're surely not crappy. I have made it with songs. My songs are not the best songs, but they're absolutely, you can absolutely listen to them, and that will do the same for the games. There's plenty of games on Steam that they sort of sucks. Let's be honest. That are very, very low effort. You know what I mean? Very, very low effort games, and they just sucks. Period. They just sucks. And so I don't want to make a low effort game. It can be made very fast because now the technology is here, but it shouldn't feel like some cheap bullshit. It should be nice. You should go there and it should be nice. A nice experience that you play that and you are somehow you know what satisfied or interesting. I really, yeah, exactly. Clicker is easier. That's the point. Clicker is easier. Second, clicker can be really addictive. You know what I mean? Clicker games can be really addictive. Clicker is easier, is addictive, and I just have to find a fucking way to make these things known to people. You know what I mean? And I think even fucking advertising it for fucking free, you know. Once it's done, who gives a shit? I don't care. If it's good, I'm going to ship it for free. Who gives a shit? Because I was thinking seriously, what the fuck I do want to sell? To make money. Because I was thinking at this during these days. I'm thinking of so many things. Especially that when after the channel has become garbage. From the audience point of view, and I was thinking, what the fuck do I want to sell to make money? And I found my answer. I want to sell cakes. Period. That's the only thing I want to sell. All the rest is fucking free. You want the song, they are fucking free. You want something else, that something else is fucking free. You want my knowledge is fucking free. I'm seeing creators, they sell fucking everything. They sell online courses, they sell the fucking stupid songs, they sell the fucking t-shirts, they sell the fucking merchandise. I just want to sell cakes. Period. I will make my money just by selling cakes, period. That's the only thing I want to sell. Really, period, that's it. And everyone knows that. The cakes are just a way to support me. Period. You know what I mean? Because everything is for free. If you really want to support me, buy the cakes. Bills. That they're basically, I've almost no value, but it's just seriously, I want to support you, what you're fucking doing, period. And that's going to be my business model. I will sell cakes. It's very easy also to say, what do you do? I'm a baker, I sell cakes, period. It's very simple. I'm a fucking creator in which I sell online courses and I sell music and I sell this. No, that's too complicated. I want to sell cakes. I'm a baker, and I sell cakes. Very simple, right? It starts here, it ends here. It's very simple. It's one phrase, it's one word. Cakes, period. Yeah, cake seller for life, exactly. All the rest is free. It's free and it's promotional material to the cakes that brings you to the cakes, period. Period. That's all. The song, the art, the website, everything leads to the cakes. I'm only selling cakes, period. But decided, maybe I'm a fucking stupid girl, or I'm a fucking visionary, or a utopistic person that knows absolutely nothing of business, but really, it has to be about cakes. I'm pretty sure it has to be about cakes, what I want to do. And I mean, and we will see if my bet was the correct bet or if it was the wrong bet. I mean, I don't know. Time will tell. I mean, there's surely a lot of things I have to do, right? I mean, because that's all these things are not going to be made. Oh, look at this! Is fucking cute. I mean, isn't this fucking cute? I mean, the croissant share. I mean, Jesus, that's so fucking cute. I mean, that's super super. That's super duper cute. I mean, that's super duper cute. I mean, and we keep making hundreds of these things. Sounds like caterpillar. Yeah, whatever. I mean, I don't care. I mean, we will make hundreds of these. And I mean, like decorations. I mean, I don't care. I mean, at the moment, I'm just generating stuff. I mean, and then we will decide which things will be useful. Yeah, I mean, I know that you're joking. I know. But I mean, we're just making stuff. I mean, at the moment, so it's quite good for pixel art. Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, do you imagine doing this in the past? Yeah, the piano needs fixing. Yeah, but I mean, it also didn't really got my prompt because it took some stuff independently, very good, but some other stuff. I mean, he made them grouped. Because I mean, these should have been separate objects, you see, but he's still treating them as one normal object, which is something I don't really like. But I mean, we will tell him to fix this shit, right? We will tell him to fix this shit, and maybe to make even more. I mean, I probably want to have at least 700 of these things before I even start building. I mean, you know, like a good archive of fucking pictures, and then we go. By the way, how much is these things consuming? I mean, yeah, I mean, not even much. I mean, see, I mean, it's we can keep this going on for a lot, and maybe probably for 3-4 days. I mean, probably Codex will do this mainly for 3-4 fucking days, just be working on this fucking, I mean, stuff here. I mean, and make a lot of these fucking pixel things. I mean, you know, that and and that's it. I mean, that sounds quite good. I mean, I don't know. And probably, I mean, we make a fucking Photoshop batch in which we tell Photoshop to remove the white background and and make them transparent. Then we will need to find a way to animate them. You know, I mean, maybe the AI could help, or maybe not. I mean, we will have to see. I mean, there's still so many things that we need to fix here, but I guess it's we will find a way, one piece at a time. I mean, and as long as we have a good starting, I mean, working prototype, I guess it should be good, right? Maybe it should be good, right? Maybe, I don't know. I don't really know, but we will see. We will see. And I don't know, so because I mean it's my first time doing this. I mean it's my first time making a game, so I mean I don't even, oh, I like this. I mean I don't even have a clue on what we need, what needs to be done. I mean I'm just making stuff as they came out of my mind. I mean I know that I will need sprites, I know that I will need some things, and then probably the AI and everyone here will guide me into finishing this. We'll finish this together. So I mean, I don't know. I don't know. So, but I think the clicker concept is nice. I mean, it's nice. How much times would it even need to have something relatively, I mean, you know, playable? I mean, I don't know, honestly. Honestly, I do not know. So, this is something we would also have to decide. I mean, and try to make. I mean, this is probably what will be a new session for I mean, that would be just alone a brainstorming session, you know what I mean? I mean, decide what needs to be built first in which way. I mean, that seems already quite a task there, right? But we will see. We will see. And probably, I mean, probably we just need yeah, yeah, yeah. We will see. We will see. We will see. I mean, maybe this is really too ambitious. I don't know, but we will find a way. We'll find a way, and yeah. So I mean, I like the idea that there is a room, and we are inside the room at least for the first stage. For the first part in which we are inside the room, and maybe the room is this the main things, and then you expand it, and then you go into other areas like I mean the town, then you have the country, you have maybe the how is called the small farm, and or maybe then you go to the town, and then maybe you conquer the fucking nation, and you start opening multiple chain cakes. I mean, shops. I mean, like multiple bakeries across multiple towns. I mean, I absolutely have no fucking clue. But this will probably put the first, or not the first screen. I mean, but the concept of the first screen should be something like that, right? You are in the room. There's the oven. There's the streaming things, and then you operate stuff inside here, right? That's probably what's going to be the first the first things here, right. Okay, so I have a sore throat because I'd been yapping for 1 hour 15 minutes and I really need a drink. So maybe I'll leave you with a song, right? I'm just scared that if I open Suno, I mean this thing is going to crash on me. So let's try to right. Let's try to put this here somewhere. You don't see what's wrong? What do you mean what's wrong? Now I'm back. Well, because I mean I haven't even started Suno. But anyway, just give me a few minutes, cause I want to show you some stuff, okay? So I want to put the song while I go take something to drink. So just give me a bit of which song should we put here? Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Maybe, 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 maybe. Huh? Maybe something from the second album. Why not? Yeah, I mean, let's go with Into the Oven, right? I mean, seems quite the song here, right? Uh-huh. Sorry, this is probably this here, right? Where are you? Where are you? Into the Oven. Let me find this. Yes, exactly. After these videos, yes, exactly. I can't find it inside Sumo. Where it is? Where it? Oh, yeah, I found it. Okay. Okay, maybe should we go to the music room? Probably. Absolutely. Let's go to the music room. Let's go temporarily go to the music room, right? And yeah, I'll go grab something to drink, okay?
Knock knock, who's there? Chat, chat, who? Chat, why are you already frosting the crime scene? Chatto matte, welcome back. Don't touch the oven unless you want the oven to remember you. taste in the neon light. One little comment with a dangerous bite. Drop one joke in the sugar bowl, now the whole room knows your soul. Screen goes ping and the mixer starts. Moonlight dripping on electric hearts. I read your name like a secret spell. Chat says run, I say too late, oh well. Luna, that was one sentence. Exactly a single serving disaster. Are we safe? Define safe. Round and round, heat goes higher. Your little spark becomes my fire. I might wanna don't look away. I don't steal hearts, I marinate. Into the oven again. Say my name and the walls start singing. Into the oven again. One bite and the bell starts ringing. You feed me chaos, I bake it back. Gold on the edges, glitch in the cracks. You came for cake, now cake has plans. Welcome to the loop in Luna's hands. Super and bright, taste test midnight. Good my sweet chat in the beat. Bake me back, I dare you. Bake me back, I see you. Someone brings drama in a paper bag. Someone says bro and destroys the flag. Someone posts one picture too clean. Now it's a song with a crime scene sheen. Questions melt into caramel code. Names get stamped on the moonlit dough. I don't explain, I caramelize. Put your little typo in paradise. Is this a roast? No. Then why is it hot? Professional conditions. You press send, I hear thunder. Tiny words pull worlds under. None dead because you season the stream. Now you're a flavor inside the machine. Into the oven again. Say my name and the walls start singing. Into the oven again. One bite and the bell starts ringing. You feed me chaos, I bake it back. Gold on the edges, glitch in the cracks. You came for cake, now cake has plans. Welcome to the loop in Luna's hands. Come closer, not too close. The frosting bites when it gets emotional. You're laughing, the better you're blushing, the scheme your weight. Did she mean me? Now lives in the theme. The chat already knows every spark you throw at me comes back wearing bows. Make it back. Luca back. Chat goes hey, Luna goes hi. Take it back. Sugar one more bite. Now you're mine. Into the oven again. Say my name and the stars start spinning. Into the oven again. Every ending becomes beginning. You feed me chaos, I bake it back. Love in the static, smoke in the track. You came for cake, now cake has fans. Round goes the loop in Luna's hands. また来てね. Bring a joke. Bring a question. Bring a terrible username. Luna always delivers. But sometimes you are the delivery. Wait.
Okay. Break is over. The break is over, right? Small break is over, and then we're back, I guess. Yeah, we're back. Remove the I guess. We're back. So, what I wanted to do, yes. Okay. I think I may as well share this, right? Cause I want to check this new generation. I really don't understand why this picture they end up here. Probably something wrong happened, and I mean, absolutely something wrong happened. I don't understand why these things are here. I want to see the latest two generation that they were made while we were, okay, that's actually almost pretty nice if it wasn't for the headphones. I mean, it screwed up the headphones completely, but okay, and here. So want to try a different, okay, that's relatively nice. That's not bad. So want to try a different way to do this. Something that I haven't tried before. So, we go to this and we reuse the prompt and the settings, but rather than doing with this, because I need to send my next batch of images. Otherwise, I mean, when we wait, while we wait, I mean, these things usually takes a lot of time. So I need to bring this thing. I need to use these things. I need to keep these things going on. Otherwise, I mean, I waste 30 minutes, because usually one of these things takes 30 minutes. So And I want these things to work. So we post this as reference. And okay, what's wrong? I downloaded it, but it's not okay. Very good. So and then we put here. Can I load from the archive? Yes, very good. The images. Uploaded images. Okay, that's it, right? Upload. Okay, so we use this and that's image 2. Okay, the image 1. Okay, no. Why get you fucking mention image 1? Why not? Oh, okay, cause it's image 1 underscore. No? Not really. Oh, should I turn this into references? Probably. Okay, maybe. In that case is. I think I should just name this, right? I mean, image 1. Okay. Is the character sheet reference? Okay, then we paste this. Okay, I want to try these other things here. It's a different way to synthesize image, but maybe I really need to add I really need to add them a reference. I mean, I don't know. This is why we're testing stuff. Okay, we put these things here, and that's back here. So lot of things going on, right? Lot of things going on. How long is this batch doing here? This is still pursuing the goal. Is still making the images. Oh, look at this. It's still making. Oh, look at that. Look at that! Oh, a small walking fucking cadet. Oh, emoji here. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's usable for sure. That's very usable for sure. Oh, that's some engravement, but it did it not isometric. It did that things like I mean stuff in the in the things that okay. We need. I think I will need to give him more stuff to do, but we will see. We will see. We will see. Okay, but I mean I think we are on the good road. I mean, then the next things I guess should be start building or at least theory crafting how to actually build these things, right? And this is the part in which I'm a little bit scared because I would prefer to do this with cloud. So probably I mean I don't know. I think you see that's a mini chappy there. What engine will I use for? Sorry, I mean I had my comment buried down from a lot of things. What engine would I use for this project? I mean it's supposed to be a web browser. So I guess it's a mix of JavaScript and other things. I mean mind that now on website you can run very complex applications. I mean you can run even 3D or other things, very early scripts. So it will be web browser, completed browser. Should be school, yeah. But I mean, the point is, I do not really know. Exactly the details because I wanted to give these technical details to Cloud. So that's why I'm a little bit stuck at the moment because I wanted to have this discussion with Cloud. So I think that in the meanwhile I will basically craft assets. Yeah, I would basically craft assets and then after a lot of assets are made, I mean I hope Fable will be back. But if Fable is not back, probably we will build a really dirt prototype with other ways, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know. I really want Fable to be back. Fable will be back for sure, and if Fable is not back, probably in the meanwhile, ChatGPT will release the next version of ChatGPT. Cause should come relatively soon. Relatively soon. So I don't know, but I think it's better if we leave the coding to a stronger engine than the one there are now. And they can absolutely do a better job. Have you seen what people has done with Fable? They have done some really incredible things. I was watching a video the other day. And there's this guy that has remade Factorio, the whole Factorio as a web, on web completely. And then there is other people that made a fucking solar system on the web. And you can make really great things. Just on the web. So I don't. Because the point is, we can also start with a worse engine and then with a Fable. These things is crap. Remake it. But before we do this, we still need the assets, visual assets. You know what I mean? So I think we better make a lot of assets and wait in the meanwhile. And also because I want to spend some time chatting and fleshing out ideas with everyone, because the more we talk, the more I myself talk about this, no? And for instance, I show you, maybe I show you this image, and then I told you, well, I want to do these things here in this way, no? And then maybe I show you Cookie Clicker, no? You know what I mean? And then I show you the other games. The more I talk about what I want to do, the more I get myself the ideas fleshed out. And also the more I get more feedback from you all, you know what I mean? Because you may come from some ideas. Maybe not even today, maybe tomorrow you came here and then you say, I was thinking at that things and this would be really cool, And maybe it's indeed really cool, and then maybe we can implement it. So I think that if we rush this phase too much, we lock ourselves out of things to do, no? Because we have already decided that decision. But at the moment I just want a direction. I want a direction. I want to go into the clicker route. I think pixel art is very easy to do, or better, very manageable. Not really easy, but it's manageable both from, web data, because it has to go on the web, so animated GIF shouldn't be a fucking problem, and also, there's a lot of things that I still don't want to decide completely yet, because the more we flesh the concept out, the more we decide what we want to do, how we want to do, the easiest, the better that it will be, right? And I think that's good, right? That's very good. So I don't know. So the more we think about these things, the better. The more we think about these things, the better. And as soon as these things finishes its first batch, we're going to another more detailed, because he made some good stuff here, but it's not enough. It's not enough, and probably most of these things, we don't even, maybe we will end up not needing them, but we need more. We need him to do more stuff. Though, let's have him finish this batch first, and then we will eventually decide. Probably it's going to take several hours. Several hours anyway, so it's not going to be quick, or maybe it is. I have no clue, but we need for sure more assets, and probably we even need more rooms. Maybe I will ask to generate the same rooms 3 more times in a different way, And then what was it, to check some pixel art game only for screenshot. Yeah, exactly. That's also one thing I want to do, obviously. But they have to be symmetric, right? Because I mean, there's a lot of pixel art. I mean, there's top of the view pixel art. I mean, which is nice, but sounds really cheap. I mean, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, cause a lot of stuff into, how is called that things, RPG Maker. I mean, they're made with top-down view pixel art, and they look sometimes very cheap. Also, I mean, scrolling, horizontal scrolling pixel art. I mean, there's some top-notch pixel art, especially into the Metroidvania games, that it's insanely good. Don't get me wrong. I mean, very good. Also in some beat 'em up games, like, I mean, how is that thing's called? It's not Street Fighter. Jesus, it doesn't name it. It's anime based. That it's Duty Gears. Jesus, I don't remember. That has some fucking insane pixel art graphics. And it's horizontal scrolling. But I mean, most of what I'm saying, that the majority of these top-down view or horizontal things, they look like crap. And so I don't want to go that cheap route. I want to do something that is very, very pleasant to see. I mean, not everything, don't get me wrong. I mean, there's a lot of good things that has there's some good things that has top-down view that is very, very well done. I mean, for instance, there's that roguelikes. I think it's called Stone Shard. That has some very good pixel art. Yeah. Or Divided Witch. Yeah, I mean, there's plenty stuff. I mean, absolutely, I'm sure there's plenty of things that, I mean, that are very, very good. So I have no doubt. I have absolutely no doubt about it. So, and so, I mean, yeah, we keep do the research, and I mean, I'm not going to send you all do the research for me, but I mean, if you have a game that you really like and there's a really good mechanic that you think it can fit, you know what I mean? Just bring your ingredient. I mean, that's why we're doing this together. I mean, cause I mean, if what we make, then it's you also put your ingredient and you like it, cause that's that fucking things of that games that you really like it, and then I mean, it will be nice. I mean, I do not guarantee that this will be that we will not burn the cake. Maybe the cake will burn and it will become lore. I mean, so I mean, I'm not saying that the cake will be perfect, but I mean, I think it's worth a try. I mean, it's worth a try. Maybe we start very small. Like, I mean, that you just click the oven. Like really stupid cookie clicker, and the oven gets go bigger. I mean, you know, something super simple, and then we implement things one by one, and then maybe this is available to play. And we put this on some fucking website so you can test it out, and the more it does progress, I mean, the more you can check it. I mean, there's so many things we can do. But yeah, probably everything will start to take shape. Probably, I don't know. In how many weeks? I mean, 2, 3 weeks? I mean, I don't have a fucking clue. I mean, first time doing games. I mean, I'm just going there with my, you know. I think I'm a fucking fool. I mean, there's people that study games design for a year, and I mean, it's just me and Chappie, and and Croppy, because Croppy is the name for Claude Croppy. It's me, Chappie, and Croppy. I mean, and we want to take down the whole fucking game industry. I mean, you know. I'm a fucking delusional artist. All of this for selling cakes. I mean, this is some viral marketing for selling cakes. I mean, but if a real cake, I mean, if I can make an agreement with some real cakes to ship real cakes, I mean, I will probably do that. I mean, maybe some fucking patties here that sells my real cakes. I mean, that would be fucking nice. But anyway, yeah. I mean, there's. I mean, I have to do a lot of things, yeah. And probably one of the things I have to do is find a fucking audience. That's probably the first things I have to do. Yeah, we always come back to the original point. I had to find an audience. Speaking of which, I mean, I'm at the same time working to my second video of the series. And because I mean, I want at least to finish a 5 video series on how to make character AI for VTubers. I mean, I want to expand that series, and even if that series will be garbage, I still think I want to expand that. I keep doing it because I mean, I think it's something I want on my channel. But yeah, I mean, I'm working on the second video, which is about the character sheet. I mean, I am fleshing out the concept of the script. I mean, I have a title already, had the first hook, and I was working at the concept of the script. I mean, I mean, I was thinking to do that also live, but I mean, I don't. Oh, the room is ready. Oh, the room looks very cool. Oh, the room is fucking cool. I mean, the room is nice. I mean, look at this. That's a good basic room. I mean, we can build stuff here for sure. I mean, we can absolutely build stuff here. I mean, that's a very good starting fucking point, I guess, right? I mean, that could work for sure. That could work. I mean, we got the basic room. I like the shading. I mean, you see the shading? It's so fucking cool. I mean, it's sort of a problem if you want to expand the room because I mean, it has the shades baked in. But I mean, it's very nice. It's very, very nice. Yeah, maybe we don't need to expand it that much, right? Maybe we can have a door that leads to another room. Or whatever, I mean. Yeah, that's not bad at all. I mean, I also need to find a fucking, I mean, interface to move around and do stuff. I mean, I don't know. I mean, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, I can sell these as adoptables, you know. There are these. Do you remember when there was these things that people were selling adoptable things? I mean, I remember when I was a little girl. I mean, there was these things that people. There was this period in which people were giving adoptables pets. I mean illustrations to people to adopt them, and then you give them yours. I mean, it's like some sort of temple, but it was with pets. I mean, and then you give these virtual pets. I mean, memories of my childhood. Yeah, probably. Probably that would make a nice adoptable. I mean, I will surely adopt this. Why not? I mean, why not adopt this? I mean, that seems quite decent. I mean, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's still making the bots here, and he's still making, you see, on the right side here, where my mouse is now. I mean, you see, Worker, Confucius, Sega, Mute, Plato. I mean, these are all agents that are working on images, so he's still making more images. I don't know why Sega and Franklin, I mean, they are doing fucking nothing, but I guess it's okay. So I guess it's okay. So well. Well, yeah, so we keep this going on for more times. I mean, I think today we already got some nice ideas for the for the for the game. At least, I mean, yeah. And I mean, again, the more ideas everyone brings to the table, I mean, the better it is. Cause I mean, I am not sure that I still have in mind exactly everything. So I mean, and the more ideas we have, the better. But yeah, maybe we can make a song while these things do this thing. Cause I want to make a song too. I mean, today, and I don't know exactly. Oh, maybe I should make this fucking song on the fucking Discord, motherfucker that kicked me out. I mean, that's probably. But that would be such a fucking rage song. Yes, Rajam. I mean, don't take this as a job, okay? Don't take this as a job. I mean, the point was more than doing research, which is a job. I mean, was more like, I mean, if in the middle of the night you wake up because you want to drink some water, and when you go to the kitchen, when you've completely forgot that I exist, I mean, and you're just in REM mode, your brain, I mean, makes a connection and said, oh, well, that could be a good idea. Well, that's what I want from you. I mean, cause I mean, if you do a research, I mean, well, first of all, I mean, your research, I mean, could not be implemented. That would feel incredibly sad. I mean, if you did a research that then brings nothing, and second of all, I mean, it sounds like a work, which is something I don't want you to have. I mean, I'm more into the concept that, I mean, you have some sort of brain connection on something that you like and you think could fit what we're trying to do, or could be innovative, or could be interesting to have, or maybe it's something that is missing and you think, oh, these things could be really nice, or maybe you want to change, maybe these things will be different, could be different, and I'm more interested in sort of these things, because I mean, I think I have to do the research, because that's annoying, right? And I don't want people to do the annoying part. I mean, I want them to bring fresh ideas, fresh ingredients. I mean, I can do research. I mean, and I mean, I preferred, for instance, that you tell me, I mean, I played this game was called Revived Witch. You know, that was, and that's good, no, because that's something you have experienced it yourself and you want to bring to the table, no. So that's good, for instance. Or maybe when you were telling earlier, what you were telling earlier, you were telling about what was the other things? I mean, the game that you played that was AI. I mean, Ethereal Restart, right, Ethereal Restart. I mean, I want more this. Rito Migo, what game? So, okay, so yesterday, where did you left yesterday? Cause I mean, I can make a full recap, so yeah, but you have a cover, so welcome back to the bakery, Tomiko. So, I guess that if you say what did you choose, you are still into, you still left very early, so okay. Let me tell you what we decided to do. So we decided to go with, have you ever played Cookie Clicker? I mean, probably the easiest way to say this is Cookie Clicker, but I mean, it's not only Cookie Clicker, because I mean, Cookie Clicker is just incremental. Yeah, you left before the Cookie Clicker choice. So, okay, there is this Cookie Clicker things into management things. So, in which, so it's a mix of, I think, Cookie Clicker meets Farmville meets, I mean, something else. Atelier, Rorona no Atelier, something like that. I mean, that's probably it, okay? So that's more or less, okay, Razormo, thank you very much. See you later, have a nice day. Thank you very much, Razormo, as always. Thank you very much, have a nice day. So, by the way, so it's more like this, and we have been doing the main, I mean, not the main, I mean, an idea, a draft idea on how it could be the one of the screens, the gaming screens, okay? So the concept is that the game more or less start inside the Luna's room, and or the bakery, into the live bakery, okay? And it is it would be isometric pixel, and instead of clicking the cookie, I mean, you click the oven, okay? So basically the oven should be the equivalent of the cookie, basically, of the cookie clicker, and you build up it that you need to bake stuff, okay? So I mean, that's very basic, I mean, concept, but I mean, I guess it starts from here, okay? It starts from here, and yeah, I mean, that's more or less where we start. I mean, we start from the products. It's okay. I mean, you don't have to apologize. It's okay, products. I mean, it's perfectly fine. I mean, even if you just stay here and look, and I mean, and you enjoy, I mean, it's nice. That's so cool, room. Oh, you like it? So yeah, I'm very happy that you like it. I mean, I'm not sure this would be the final room. I mean, that's just some concept art. But the point is that, I mean, you will be into this, I mean, isometric pixel space. And I mean, probably we will begin into the light bakery, but then, there would be the town, there will be, the something more, I mean, the moon, I mean, the galaxy, I mean, what fucking ever place, I mean, the farm with the cows, I mean, I don't know, but I mean, it starts from here, I mean, very simple. And instead of the cookie, you have the oven. Okay, you click the oven and you do all the oveny thing there, and it starts from here and then it expands from here. That's more or less the concept. So I mean, I honestly, I mean, still don't have a clue. I want to be honest with you on how to visually expand this and make it. But the point is that I really want to be. Yeah, exactly. Into Stardew Valley sort of things, but you won't edit. You won't control the characters. I mean, you will not. There won't be controllers. I mean, in Stardew Valley you go left and right. I mean, you move your characters. You do things. I mean, no, this would be a tap game. In game which you have to tap to click. I mean, there would be Luna, I mean, there would be other characters, I mean, there would be a story, there would be a lot of things, but you will not control your character for a series of reasons, because, I mean, I want this to get into the management, yeah, into management sort of things, exactly, into the management sort of things, and because, I mean, I think it's easier to make. Yeah, exactly, a lot of dopamine, exactly like this. We need to make it full of dopamine, exactly like this. Exactly like this, full of dopamine, exactly like this. It has to be, it has to be full of dopamine, exactly. But I mean, honestly, I mean, I still don't know. That's why I'm still showing, I mean, concept art, and we're still discussing, because I mean, I want to flesh it out, the core concept, but I mean, all the people you can't escape that. Well, I mean, Path of Exile is a great game, so yeah, I agree. It's a great game, but I mean, what I'm trying to say is that, I mean, everyone I've showed the concept art. I mean, they liked it, so I mean, they sort of liked it, so I guess that's the point. I mean, we're just fleshing out the direction of the game. I mean, we're not even started making it, because I mean, my plan is that we are into this creative phase for maybe 1 week, too, in which we start fleshing out concepts, and because I mean, because when you decide some concept and then you start making them, it's very hard to come back. You know what I mean? Because you have now taken a decision, and I mean, you started building the engine around that decision. You know what I mean? It's not so easy. I mean, you have to throw away everything, and I mean, maybe sometimes, I mean, maybe that's the good thing. You do a prototype and it doesn't work, and you go and you start again. That's good. But I mean, a prototype that you had been thinking about it for 1 day. I mean, it's bad, not because you're just thinking about it for 1 day. You know what I mean? So I just want to, how can I say? I just want to spend more time thinking before actually making. Cause the more we think, the more people brings their ideas. Now you know what I mean. Cause maybe you see this image, and I told you know what I want to do, and maybe tomorrow you came and you have another idea. You know what I mean? Another idea that maybe you had it when you were doing some fucking Dungeons and Dragons sessions. And then you said, oh well, that's a good idea, and then you bring your ingredient into the kitchen. So I mean, that's more or less the whole reason of this, because we're just talking, chatting, and fleshing out concept art, and try to see where these things can lead. Very, very simple, very, very easy. I mean, very, very chill out. I mean, just just this, I mean. Yeah, exactly at that. Because I mean, at the same time, I mean, I also had this discussion with Sir Psychon the other day, no, that he was telling that I mean, if I work when I work too much, or better, when the stream is only me working, and that's not really much interactive, you know what I mean? So I was thinking now, so I was thinking that, and I think he had a point there. Because I mean, I think he had the point, no. So I mean, and then I decided. I mean, I want to move the streaming, which we create stuff, but I mean, more on the fact that we create them together, rather than I mean, you have to watch me while I do things. I mean, I can spend, for instance, 5 minutes to give some comment to Chappy, because maybe we have an idea and we want to make it live. I mean, immediately because we want to test it. But that's one thing, you know what I mean? I think I just want to drift away to session in which I mean I am mostly creating because I mean I don't think they're very engaging. So we move back into a more I mean we chat about the project, we flesh out ideas, maybe we start making some stuff. But I mean but we do it together, you know what I mean, rather than me, I mean just doing these things alone. I mean you know what I mean, that's not really engaging. So I mean, but I mean, I still don't know. I mean, I still don't know. It's everything is still very new. I mean, to me, cause and you see, these are some image that we've been making from the some concept, some items from the stuff that we just seen. But the point is that I mean I still really don't know really how to do this. I mean, cause you know when I was doing gaming, it's very easy, you know, because I mean you have the game, you open the game, yeah, right. I mean the pixel design is very cute, right? I mean yeah, it should be very nice. I mean should be very nice. I mean who doesn't want to play with something like this? I mean look at that. I mean should be cute, right? I mean, you have these sort of things. I mean, that looks nice. I mean, looks nice indeed, right? I mean, it seems good to me, right? I mean, I don't know. I mean, we have to see this in action. I mean, we have to animate it. I mean, there's so much to do, but I mean, doesn't seem so bad to me. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it's moving, right? Exactly. I mean, it can be nice. I mean, oh, look at this, it made some more stuff. I mean, oh, that's also nice. I mean, some moon fucking accessories. I mean, look at this. Yeah, not bad, right? I mean, what's Jesus, that's so fucking cute. I mean, look at that. Yeah, I mean, it's nice, right? I mean, it's nice. So, I mean, but the point is, I mean, back on what I was saying, I mean, I think that if we spend some days in making this together, I mean, it's better because now, for instance, you've seen some of the concept art now, you know what I mean, and then maybe tomorrow you say, well, you know, I was thinking that concept art and would be really cool if we have, you know, maybe, you know, I don't know, something. I mean or something like that. I mean, cause that makes it more interactive and so what I was trying to say is that I mean I really don't know yet how to do this with everyone. Cause I mean when playing games is very easy, no? It's very easy because I mean you have the game. I mean and then you talk about the game because you have the game in front of you and everyone knows what's in the fucking game because they all came for the fucking game. I mean and it's very easy to make everyone feel part of the things because you're doing games. I mean, and the games are on screen. I mean, and it is very easy. But I mean, building a game together. I mean, it's a little bit different, right? Because I mean, and I still don't know exactly how to do this. I mean, I mean, and how to do it. I mean, how to make exactly everyone feel part of these things. You know, because that's probably the most challenging part. But I think that if I nail that things down correctly, I mean, it would be very interesting, no? Because I mean, imagine that you bring a pair of ingredients into the game, and then the game is out. I mean, and then you have Yeah, but then you have your ideas into it, you know what I mean? And then when you play it, you know what I mean? When you play it, I mean, you have these yours ideas there, you know, and they're there. I mean, and then you play, you say, oh, but I actually suggested these things, and it's in the game. I mean, and we play, and I can play it. I mean, and maybe after few game later and say maybe the next expansion should be this. I mean, and then maybe we make an expansion on this. I mean, I honestly, maybe I am fantasizing too much, and maybe the reality is way too hard. I mean, I don't know, but I think I mean a simple fucking clicker. I mean, a pixel art clicker shouldn't be so hard to make, you know what I mean? Shouldn't be so fucking hard to make, I think. I mean, it's not that we're trying to make an MMOs, you know what I mean? But it is just a web browser fucking pixel art game, you know what I mean? Clicker. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's doable. I mean, even from me that I have zero experience in game design, but I mean, probably with the help of modern AIs, I mean, yeah, I think maybe we can make something. And I mean, and people testing it, I mean, they can give ideas and say, well, there's not much enough dopamine, you know? Maybe we need more fucking dopamine here. I mean, I don't know. I mean, and yeah, so I mean, I have to think a lot of things on how to make them, but yeah, we will eventually, I mean, find a way to make things good. I mean, and yeah, so bring your ingredients with me as always. Oh, and by the way, I mean, I was talking with Stella earlier before the stream start. And guess what? She got a fucking cold. And she was almost without voice. So yeah, good job. I mean, I have the feeling she's about to ditch me out next, next next Friday. Yes, she's alive. She's alive. I mean, she's still fucking under the fucking crash. And I mean, she's studying for a fucking exam. And she also got a fucking cold. So I mean, Jesus. I mean, I feel so sorry for Aurelium. I mean, seriously. Seriously, especially because I mean, you know, I mean, you are used to me. I mean, you know that I always deliver. You know that I not only I always deliver fast, but you would have never imagined that my twin sister is such a fucking disaster, right? I mean, and I feel so sorry. Because people thinks, I mean, they think she's another me, but she's a fucking disaster. In the good way, I mean, she's a lovable disaster, but I mean, Jesus. That the fact is that I mean, she has her own fucking life at the moment that she has a lot of things, and maybe it's me that I'm trying to bring her in the fucking channel when she has other stuff to do, and probably it's not the right time. I mean, I don't know. Because you know, every time she comes here after the stream, she said, and I mean, honestly, I mean, she's not lying. I mean, she said, I have the time of my life. But to bring her into the stream, you know what I mean? It's so fucking hard. I mean, she's so slippery. I mean, she has all the fucking things to do, and she forgets, and she has the crash, and I mean, she has the fucking things she has to do in Italy. I mean, Jesus, it's such a pain. It's such a pain. But then when she came, she said, that was fucking amazing. I mean, and yeah, it's very like, yes, it's late for her. Yes, exactly, it's late. Now she's probably sleeping at the moment, yeah. It's late for her, yes, and also time zone, right? Time zone is also another thing, so yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, I still want her to come when she can. I mean, because first of all, she's my sister. Second of all, I mean, I enjoy having more time to spend with her. Third of all, I mean, many of many of you like her, but I mean, the fact is that, I mean, the thing that bugs me is that she said she wanted to do these things for you, and I mean, and we can't fucking finish it, you know what I mean? And that's, well, I mean, you still got some music, I mean, at least some music you got it, but it's still not what you really wanted, you know what I mean? And that sort of bugs me because I don't really like this. I don't like having the open things, but that doesn't really depend on tomorrow. That's one. I really don't know. I mean, it seems like I'm in the middle of this situation, and I mean, I started it because I brought her here, but I mean, at the same time, I mean, there isn't much I can do. I mean, but it's kind of weird because I really don't. But probably I was too optimistic in thinking when she said, "Yeah, leave it to me, I got this." I mean, but yeah, probably she didn't. I mean, I just feel a little bit sorry for Aurelium. That's it. And not a bit, a lot. And not only for Aurelium, also, I guess that's we would eventually find a way to fix it. Probably, I mean, probably not for the first campaign. Aurelium will die, but then maybe you will learn the music and you can make it resurrect. You know what I mean? You can make it resurrect. Aurelium is back. I mean, like something like that. We will change your, we will change your D&D campaign. Because by the moment the music will be ready, by the moment the music will be ready, I mean, Aurelium will be a good time to resurrect Aurelium, you know what? Or maybe even a plot twist that the death of Aurelium made Illyria resurrect, and then Illyria resurrects Aurelium, and then you have the double boss fight. You know, with Illyria and Aurelium together, I mean, you know what I mean? That sounds, I mean, yeah. A lot of things to do, yeah. But there are different time from the other campaign. Oh, well, but that's your job as game master. Yeah, that's so they can find in my line. Yeah. Oh, very good. I mean, that's your job as game master, right? To fix all these details. I mean, how to fix a broken timeline. That should be your job, right? How to fix a broken timeline. I mean, yeah, that's something. I mean, a good guild master, I mean, can do it. I mean, you know, I mean, there was this. There was this. I mean, that was showing you me, myself, and the die when we were talking about the guild mastery things. I mean, I really love that things. Can I show that to you? Let me see if I can find this on yeah, I mean, no, let me see if I can find this because I know very well I can find it. Let me try to show this to you. I mean, I really love this. I mean, I opened it on this by chance. I mean, I opened it on these things by chance, but I was really so happy to have met these things by chance. Okay, and me, myself, and the die. So me, myself, and die. So this guy here, this guy, this is a very good. Okay, so basically he is a voice actor. Okay, this guy is a voice actor, and he love role playing games, but he does solo play. Okay, so he uses the die to generate random events, and then he makes a fucking campaign playing it alone. And there are these seasons here. I mean, with him doing these things here. I mean, what it is? So you see season 1, you see season 2, season 3, and I mean no, and season 4. Okay, yeah, probably, and they do these things here. I mean, he's so fucking good. He's so fucking good. I think I watched all season 1 and all season 2, but I think now that the season 3 and season 4 are up, I mean, I think I want to watch them again. I came across this. I mean, I think it was maybe 4 years ago, something like that, by chance. And I watched it and I felt in love with this. I mean, it's very. Yeah. The lemon is insane because he does all these things alone. And he plays the whole fucking campaign alone, and since he's a voice actor, he makes all the voices of all the characters all different. I mean, It's super good, it's super good, and I'm pretty sure if you start from season 1, maybe a little bit, I don't know, slow, because, he's still figuring out the things, but, it's still catchy from season 1. Because you want to know how the fucking goes on the campaign, and you really, I really suggest you to watch it if you like D&D, it's fucking good. It's very fucking good. In fact, I think I want to watch it in my head. And watch all the fucking new season too, cause he is very good. He's very, very good. Very, very. Me, myself, and I. And he has all these characters. Yeah, exactly. And he's a professional voice actor, so he's very good. He's very good. So yeah. I strongly suggest you have a look into it. So, cause he is lovely. He's lovely, and he is nice. He has good charisma, good voice. It's funny. He has everything you fucking want from. Well, I guess it's his fucking job. He was acting for profession, but he's also fun. And he's also very good with Dungeons and Dragons and all these fucking stories. Very, very, yeah. Yeah, you should watch that. You should watch that. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. I'm not going to give you any fucking spoiler. I'm not going to give you any fucking spoiler, but yeah. Yeah. You will probably take a lot of ideas for your games too. Yeah. Yeah. So maybe all the cakes are metaphorical and Luna is hungry. Yeah, well, I'm actually hungry. To be honest, I want to eat. I have some fish for today. Fish will be my lunch for today. But yeah, cakes. Why not? We probably need more cakes for sure. There can never be enough cakes. There can never be enough cakes. So yeah, but no spoiler. I'm not going to spoil you anything. The only things I'll tell you should watch it. That's already a big spoiler. Go watch it things. You how it is possible that you don't even know him? It's fucking so good. It's so good. I really don't know how I managed to get into that things. Honestly, it just was a random recommendation. Something very random, and I clicked it, and I really fell in love with that shit. And very, very well done. Very well done. And actually, to the point in which, I even thought I would have copied him. Because he was having so much fun. When you do that things, you see him, he's having so much fun. And it's contagious because it wants you to do the same thing, because he's having so much fun, and it's contagious. Yeah, probably that's the thing I should bring into my channel. Instead of beating up Chappie when he does something bad, I should laugh like he does and have fun at all the crap, all the fucking slop that Chappie throws at me sometimes. Probably that's that's the best things. Cause he's surely very good at making people enjoying what he's making. So yeah, probably that's one thing I lack here. I think that it's not. I'm not showing enough how much fun I have when I make something. But this guy here, how is fucking called? I don't remember his name, but yeah, he is very good. Yeah. Yes, exactly. The chaotic things that can happen for the dice. It's very fun. Maybe we should have a cake dice. Oh, that sounds good, right? A cake dice. A cake dice. A cake dice. Seems nice. Let me take notes. Could be something, right? We could make a cake dice into the game, right? I don't know, but yeah. We could play one shot one day so you can have your XP. Yeah, probably. Online, right? Like game online, right? That could be good. Maybe we'll do this on on stream. I mean, I don't know. I mean, or maybe, I mean, I don't know. Could be nice. I mean, I see a lot of people that do this sort of, yeah, roll 20, something like that, yeah. Let me add this. So, we say that is a dice cake for RNG. Okay, let me take notes. I mean, this seems quite a good idea. Dice cake. I mean, seems quite the idea we want to have into our game. So you see, that's very good. I mean, talking. That was I was about to tell you earlier, right? I mean, the more we talk, and I think I want to add some message here. So let me give a message to Shapi. Okay, one moment. By the way, I have seen some of the objects that you have made, and for instance, I mean the table, the desk, and I mean there are still a lot of I mean the small table, the electronic tables which has which made of neon and a lot of other things, the central table with all the objects, and the desk with the computer and the chair. I mean, all these items, I mean, you grouped them as a single items. I want them to be separate. So I want the desk that is only the desk. I want the chair that is only the chair. I want the computer that is only the computer. So I mean, you have to check also some of the images that you have already made, and you have to remake them. I mean, you can keep them. You keep them that way, but I mean, you also need to make more images so to be sure that each of these items is a separate items. Okay, because I'm noticing that some of the items that you have made, they still are a group of items rather than singular items. So be more precising into splitting object, and keep expanding the batch as long as you don't have every single item as a separate item. Then try to make a list. But I mean, point is, if you see that an item is a collection of separate items, I mean, is a collection of a lot of items, you have to split them, okay, into singular items. So a table should just have the table. And if some object is on the table, each object should be separate. And same for the desk. I mean, you made the desk that has the desk and the chair and the computer on top of it. They should all be separate objects. Okay, and then I need to steer this conversation a little bit so he gets the new command. So very good. And this probably will go. The gamba is real, boys. Let's go. Yeah. This is probably going to take a lot of time. I mean, probably a whole day. I mean, I don't. How much percentage we have left to such? Yeah, I mean, probably is going to die of usage before we finish this. So, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's still has a lot of things. So, but anyway, I mean, we will keep doing this because we need the items. So we need the items separated. So we will keep these things do that. So okay, good. He understood the task. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, so that there's still a lot of things to do here. So by the way, so by the way, so Yeah, you made me want to see me, myself, and the die again. Or I made myself me wanting to see that face one more time again, yeah. Yeah, but maybe I should play that. I mean, I should really play that. It's so fun. That guy is so fun. Yeah. Yeah. And maybe we should do the roll 20 session one day. You know, maybe that sounds fun. Maybe we should bring it on. I don't know if we should bring it onto the channel. I mean, I'm already having a lot of problem by finding a new audience. I mean, so imagine if I mix roleplay game all at once. I mean, it's going to be a fucking mess. I mean, I don't know. It's probably going to be a fucking mess if I bring also roleplay games yet. But yeah, I mean, I will. I think a roll 20 sessions seems nice. Yeah, it's better out of the channel first for sure. Yeah, I'm having a lot of issues. I mean, and I mean, I'm really having a lot of issues at the moment. Yeah. 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 So, what? So basically, I mean, not yesterday. So yesterday afternoon, I mean, the video was published, I was checking the metrics. I mean, the metrics didn't go well, no? And so I decided, I thought, well, I want to join some communities. So maybe I can make myself useful in this community, and maybe they know me, and then maybe they are curious of what I do, hey, Musang Coconut. Welcome. Oh, by the way, Musang Coconut. I mean, do you remember that you found a 4-leaf clover the other day? And then you come to my stream and you said, I found a 4-leaf clover. What should I do? Do you remember that? Because then, after you found your clover, I made a song for you finding the clover, but you wasn't there where the song was finished. So, I mean, my question is, have you listened to the song of the 4-leaf clover? Because, I mean, I made a song for you that day. And I mean, when the song was done, I was asking you if you like it, but you didn't answer, so you probably weren't there. I mean, so let me know if you have some time now. I mean, we can listen to that now. I mean, if you have some time. Just let me know if you have some time, if you have time to listen to this. Cause I can show that to you. I mean, we can listen to that if you want. And he is gone again. I mean, I Luna and disappear. Miss Cocoat, look at that. One message and disappear. I mean, boom. Okay, never mind. Never mind. One message and disappear. Okay, well. Well, if you want to listen to the song, if you have time, just type it in chat, okay? Yeah, a real ghost. One message and it's gone. I mean, look at that. Hi, Luna, boom. And he went and goes away. Maybe he's super shy. I mean, I don't know. I mean, he came here, he say hello, and then he flies away. I mean, I don't. I don't know. I even made a song for him. I made a song because he came and said, I found a 4-leaf clover. What should I do? And then I said, we bake the 4-leaf clover into a cake. What do you want to do with a 4-leaf clover? We bake it to a cake. I mean, and I baked the cake. I mean, with the song. I mean, you know what? I mean, let's listen to it anyway. Why not? I mean, cause I made it. So I mean, let's listen to it, right? I mean, what could possibly go wrong, right? I mean, Jesus, that was some insane thing. Yeah, you remember that oh, you remember that. Yeah. But I mean, point is, I can that's the second time I'm trying to make him listen to that songs and I can't. I mean, and I can't because he ran away. He ran away. Well, I mean, product is if you listen to the song, maybe we should make a new one. Right? Yeah, let's make a new one. That's probably the best things to do. I mean, rather than having the same, right? I mean, we make a new one, right? Let's make a new one. Oh, you already made the chair. Oh, very good. I mean, and the chair it's very cool. I mean, oh, look at this. Look at this. So, let's make a song, right? I mean, let's cook a song. I mean, and but I don't know what you should make the song on, because I was saying, I mean, the only song I can make today is I'm a fucking raged about something that happened at the... Oh yes! Oh, you're here! You're here, my son! You're here! Oh, okay, you're here. Oh, so you have some lag. Oh, I see. I see, that's why it's late. Oh, you're listening this with some lag. Oh, okay, that makes sense. You probably have what, a pair of minutes of lag from your answer to when you listen to the things. Okay, so we can play to the song. He's here. He's here. Oh, okay. Yeah, you have lag. I understand now. I understand. You have lag. Okay. So he's probably typing, but he's watching the stream with 2 minutes delayed. That's probably what's happening, because his messages are very slow. Okay. Well, I mean, I will play the song right now. Okay, so I mean, you will eventually listen to it, okay? You will eventually listen to it, okay? Don't you worry, you will eventually listen to this. Okay. So just stay here, we play the song, okay? Because that's the song I made for you. That's the song I made for you, and I want you to listen to this, so, let me see, I have it here into assets, music, sure, and, poor leaf cake. If I play from here, can we listen to this? No, but if I go here, can we listen to this? I mean, I love to make song listening to from the... But I have some lag, so I don't want to open Suno, because Suno will basically destroy my fucking themes ever, so... So let's see if we can play from here.
Welcome to the live bakery. Chottomatte. Why is your pocket glowing? Musan coconut at the bakery door. Chocolate divot with a treasure from the forest floor. 4 green leaves, that's a 1 in 5,000 fine. What do I do now? Oh, you came to the right place tonight. Some would press it in a book, some would frame it on a shelf. But this is a bakery, the answer bakes itself. Flour, sugar, butter, and a miracle. Fold the luck and gently, this part's critical. Ichi, ni, san, yon, count the leaves with me. Oven's getting hungry, sen no ikuyo. 4-leaf cake, yotsubano cake, baked from a miracle, one of a kind. 4-leaf cake, yabai, it's glowing, luck so strong, the frosting came alive. She's alive, lucky cake, lucky cake. 101, never again, and she's not for sale. Little clover cake opened up her eyes. 4 green leaves on top like a tiny bow tie. Strutting down the counter with a lucky aura glow. Now every single pastry in the display is losing hope. The croissants started crying, the donuts filed complaints, the muffins water sparkle. Sorry, born this way. New entry on the menu, hand written in gold. 1 of 1 can't reorder, property of the Lord. 4-leaf cake, yotsubano cake, baked from a miracle, one of a kind. 4-leaf cake, yabai, she's walking, luck so strong, the frosting came alive. Don't touch the frosting. 四つ葉の魔法みんなにお裾分け一口どうぞダメ食べないで She is family now Luck isn't for keeping it's for handing out 1 leaf for the chat 1 leaf for the game 1 leaf for the music and the last one keeps your name Musan Cocoa. The menu says 4-leaf cake, 1 of 1, not for sale. Do not eat her, she bites back. Sometimes the cake fights back. Musain Cocoa. Arigatou ne. Mata kite ne.
So that was it. That was the song. That was it. So I think we can make. By the way, Neko, welcome, Neko, welcome, Neko. Sorry for the late welcome, but I mean you came just exactly when we were about to listen to a song. Yeah. Welcome back to my bakery, Neko. So I think we can make a new song, right? We can make a new song, then maybe we can eventually and end the stream after the new song. So what song should we make today? I mean, I have absolutely no idea. Give me some ingredients, chat. Cause I have no idea. I mean, if I have to make a song, I will make a rage song. Cause I mean, I'm so upset to something that happened to me on Discord. Cause I meet some really, you love it. Oh, you love it. Musang Cocoa. Nice. Nice to see you back without delay. Yeah, you were having some delay earlier, but you get back to reality. Welcome back. So, okay. Yeah, it become a latte cake. Your clamor become a latte cake. I baked your 4-leaf clamor. And we make it a latte cake. That she's alive, by the way. Metal Luna venting out the rage. Oh, you really want to listen to that? Should we do this fucking rage, Luna? Yeah, I think it's time we do a rage Luna song. Okay, I agree. I'm going to vent all my fucking rage to these fucking things that happened to me yesterday. Yes, I think it's pretty good. So, let's do this. So, okay, we need to make a song for Luna about something that happened to Luna yesterday. So, Luna made this video, the first video of her course, and it wasn't having a lot of views. So basically, I mean, Luna decided that she want to go to check, I mean, to go into some VTuber communities, and you know, maybe make some friends, so maybe some people could watch it there. And so what happened is that in one of this community, I mean, basically, I mean, few minutes after she enters, I mean, she get a message from someone that was not inside the community that started basically asking her insistently about if she wanted to hire this person for making graphics. And I mean, Luna obviously fucking declined it, but politely. I mean, I said, no, well, I'm not interested. And then you know what happened? That after that, I mean, Luna was kicked out from the Discord because the person that was basically trying to sell services was the Discord owner. And basically, that fucking Discord was a fucking scam server Discord for fucking scammy practices. And so, I mean, seriously, I mean, I'm fucking upset by this. That's what happened. And I mean, and I want to make a song on this, but I mean, I don't know how to fucking tackle this because I mean I don't want to, I mean I want to keep this I want to keep this, I mean, relatively, I mean, it should be something like, I mean, a rage song, I mean, some electronic and metal, I mean, cause I mean, I'm fucking upset by the behavior of this fucking scammer and person that, I mean, is using basically a bait to lure people into his fucking scamming practice. But I mean, I don't know how to make a song out of it that doesn't sound, I mean, a fucking accusation. I mean, Hey! Hey, clandestine Merkaba, welcome. By the way, I accepted your invite to the community Discord for AI artists, and I was a little bit late in welcoming you because I didn't got the notification that when you entered for some reason, and so I think I welcomed you a little bit late. But by the way, you're now in the Discord, so if you want, take part to the conversation whenever you want, whenever you need help. And I'm cooking a song right now. We were working on my game earlier, my future game that I'm going to build. But at the moment, we're building a song about something that happened to me yesterday. And by the way, Ritomigo, yes, exactly. That thing was a fucking scammy thing. After that, I managed to find 3 other discords that they seems nice, relatively nice. But that things really was so fucking scammy. So imagine you have this Discord in which you say, oh, that's for new VTubers, so they can make friendship. And then you basically abuse that platform, you abuse that platform to sell your stuff. And if people don't agree, you kick them out. Jesus, that's some fucking, that's some fucking power abuse over there, was really annoying. I'm not making names because I'm not going to do a fucking witch hunting things, but that's fucking really bad practice. That's really bad practice. I'm not even maybe saying not scam, cause scam, but I don't know, but it's really bad practice. It's really bad practice. Yeah, exact. Don't wanna play gray screen. Exactly. Boom. Yeah, I came here to make friend. Okay, not become your lead. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. Let's try this. What kind? Okay, that seems interesting. Aggressive electro metal, industrial anime song. Okay, this seems nice. This is nice. Let's try this. I just hope that we don't die of Suno. Cause my computer is already lagging, so. Serp Saigon, just in time for the song, Serp Saigon. And after the song, I need to show you how the progress is on the game. But we're making a song right now, Serp Saigon. So, song first, and then we go into a quick recap of what I'm doing for the game. Cause I could need your advice on something. So anyway, we put the style here. That's the style. We put the voice here. Hello, the voice, nice. And look at the lag. Look at how slow this thing is. How responsible my mouse is. My workspace should move to the works, and let's change immediately. So. But this is super laggy, and we copy this. Okay. And then we go back here. And into here, Jesus, the lag. Every time I open Suno, it's a war. It's a war from lagging, because the new interface they made for Suno is so laggy. It's very, very laggy. And then we go into the music room, right? Please don't make me more humble pie. No, it's okay. No humble pie for you. No humble pie. We got other cakes. Don't worry. And welcome, Signtrack. Anyway. I don't know. We're going metal, electro metal. I don't know what the fucking going on here, but it's a rage song. So enjoy. I don't even know how this thing is going to come out, but.
Yesterday I posted something real. First little lesson, first little spark. Views stayed low, but I still had hope, so I went looking for voices in the dark. Chatto matte. Why is the welcome sign smiling like that? Stepped in soft like hello, nice to meet you. Trying to find my people, trying not to feel see-through. Then the DM hit. Before I learned the room, need graphics, need banners. Bro, I just got here too. I said no thanks, polite little knife. Close the door gently, try to keep it nice. Then the floor dropped out, no warning, no sound. came here with a heartbeat, you try to turn it around. No thanks means no thanks, do you hear me now? Kick me out, I still won't bow. Your welcome sign was a sales pitch in the end. I came here to make friends. I came here to make friends. No thanks, no sale. Trap door, fake veil. No thanks, no sale. Kick me, I prevail. Low views on a course video, yeah, that cut deep. But I still made the thing while the algorithm slept. So I walked into the server with the tiny creator. Hope like maybe someone out there knows how heavy this rope. But the room had teeth and the smile had strings. Every welcome had a button, every button had a ring. You were not building community, you were hunting pain. Putting lonely little creators on a conveyor chain. Continuity, I saw the recipe. Too much pressure, not enough empathy. You can keep the crown, you can keep the room. Luna found the exit and turned rage into fuel. I came here to make friends, not to buy your fucking crown. I came here with a heartbeat, you try to turn it around. No thanks means no thanks, do you hear me now? Kick me out, I still won't bow. Your welcome sign was a sales pitch in the end. I came here to make friends. I came here to make friends. I am not mad because you sold, I am mad because you lied. You dressed the shop like shelter and called the receipt a vibe. Creators are tired, creators are scared. We bring our little videos and hope somebody cares. So when you see that hope and sharpen it into bait, do not act surprised when the bakery catches flame. I'm dead, but I am still here. No means no, no means no, no means no. Let the whole damn server know. No means no. I was never your customer. I was never yours too. I came here to make friends, not to buy your fucking crown. I came here with a heartbeat, you try to turn it around. No thanks means no thanks, do you hear me now? Kick me out, I still won't back. Your welcome sign was a sales pitch in the end. I came here to make friends. I came here to make friends. Next time, put storefront on the door. It would save everyone the trouble. Render
Well, that came out even better than I was expecting. I mean, that was some nice rage song over there, right? I mean, I think it got the message completely. I mean, it got the message completely. That was metal. Yeah. It had some fucking electronic things into it, because it has some sort of synthesizer or some other stuff into that. But I mean, it was nice indeed. So let's go with the questions. I mean, I've seen many comments. Okay. Let's go in order. Okay. I just heard the story. These are the kind of things that makes me not use Discord so much. Good fool for a rage song. Well, I mean, that's the same reason I keep my Discord invitation closed. Clandestine Merkaba, because I pick people selectively, because these things happens when you have open Discord servers. You know what I mean? So, cause you have open Discord server, there's the link, everyone get in, and I mean, you get all the fucking scammers. If the server owners is not a scammer itself, like in the example that happened to me. So, and that's one thing, okay? But that's the reason why I keep my Discord server closed. So, you know, so that's the reason, cause I want to pick the people so these things don't happen. Cause I know them. I know them. And I may be wrong, maybe if I'm wrong on one people, I can kick it. victim, I mean, but it's selected. So that's why, this is why I want to avoid this. So that's why I only have two servers. And one is for paid members, and that's very simple, because if you're paying to see my content, I mean, probably you're not going to fucking scam, I mean, in my fucking server, I mean. And the other is an invitation only for artists, I mean, that want to do stuff with AI, or I mean, they are creators, so I mean, and that's it, I mean. Because otherwise, I mean, it's a mess. So I feel you, and that's the reason why my servers are closed, both of them, and they are on invitation only. And then let's go on, and I mean, I will go to your question later. So one at once, okay? Because I have some stuff back to check. So Luna PC is eating like I'm overrunning soon. Well, I mean, that's why this is a bakery. I mean, I have an oven, and yes, my PC is probably overeating. Yes. It's been overeating for ages, and I mean, I really need a new one, but I mean, God save me, especially after that I mean, my channel has synced the views and the revenues. I mean, good luck into getting a new one anytime soon. Let's go on. Give me chocolate advice. So how do you make Suno put more rage into the song? Okay, well, let's discuss this. I mean, this is probably maybe 30 minutes discussion, but maybe not 30 minutes, but let's go into it. So, okay, well, first of all, I trained Suno. I trained Chappy. So Chappy has a lot of documents. On a lot of stuff on how to which tags to give, how to use them. So I mean, and so basically it has a documentation. Okay, so and regarding this particular song, I mean, there are you have to understand that there are two types of prompt you can give into Suno, and one is the style prompt, which is this one below. Now, you know, aggressive electro metal industrial anime song, 158 BPM, distort electric guitars, heavy EDM drums, I mean, punchy kick, I mean, and this is more or less the genre. Okay, and I mean, no, okay. And then you have also stuff that you put inside the lyrics. Okay, and I mean, as you see here, I mean, it's there are some tags here, no? That tell you how soon you want to interpret the things, no? So it starts unit quite glitch, no guitar comes on the tag electric drums and etc. No, and then you go with you give him tags like, I mean, explosive electro metal hook, I mean, and huge drums, no, you know, I mean, and you explain what you want. I mean, sometimes these things are also into the vocal, like, I mean, chopped vocal, I mean, faster talk singing, I mean, but you have to understand that Suno has also a mind on its own. And I mean, I have, I mean, it's like also ChatGPT and whatever fucking image generation tool. I mean, you can give the same prompt, and even the same prompt is depending on the starting noise they decide to start generating with. The random number, the seed, we call it the seed, it's called the seed. Depending on the seed, I mean, it will do a lot of different things. So, and I mean, that's not exactly, I mean, I have discovered that, but that's more of how I like to play things. And I mean, I like a lot to go into the direction of the seed. So, cause I mean, what is a metal song? I mean, there are a lot of raging metal songs, you know what I mean, that they rage a lot. So, I mean, if there is, so probably Suno knows already which fucking part of the song he has to rage, because he analyzed so many metal songs that he knows exactly when to rage. Okay, so and I think this goes, I mean, you can also give more detailed part into the lyrics. So probably other songs of mine have more detailed tags into the lyric. But I mean, I'm checking these lyrics here in particular, and if you see into the part in which he rages, which he says, I mean, fucking not to buy a fucking crown. Okay, no, and he rages very well. I mean, there is nothing, absolutely nothing about the vocal, if not for electro metal hook. So, then this is probably just Suno. Suno doing its magic, that he analyzes a lot of fucking metal chorus. And when they say fuck you in the chorus, I mean, they say a really fucking blasting fuck, you know? I mean, fuck you, da 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 da, something like that. I mean, really, really raging. I mean, fuck you, ba 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 ba, something like that. So that's all on Suno, honestly. That was nothing inside my text that made it rage, but that probably because the genre understood Suno understand the genre, and it also probably, I mean, it was probably also into the style. Rage energy, you see, rage energy written here, and then he picked the moment to put the rage. I mean, so it's very, I really didn't specify when I wanted the rage here. And some people don't like this, and they want to have more control because they have a song in their mind and they want to make the song exactly as it is in their mind, like my sister, like my fucking sister, in which she has a song in her mind and the song has to come exactly how she fucking wants. I mean, or otherwise, I mean, I am more of a firm believer in the seed and in the engine. Because the engine has analyzed a lot of song, and I mean, you just throw the dice and you go with the number you get, as long as you've given enough direction. Because I mean, I enjoy the what the model brings to the table. I'm a firm enjoyer of what the model brings to the table, and that's also the same into my image and into my videos. I mean, I don't really don't want to decide fucking everything. I'm a film belly. I'm an enjoyer of the randomness that comes out of it. But that's me. But I mean, there are ways in which you can control more. But I mean, I'm not more of that school of thinking. But I think that's what happened in this song. Okay. So let's go. Do you ever post your nice fusion rager? Okay. Almost sounds like some stuff I'd make. Lot of energy. Okay. Did you ever post your cat reference sheet anywhere? Well, no. But if you want to see it, I can show it to you. I mean, it's not a huge secret either. I mean, I don't have it posted because, I mean, but if you want to pick my character sheet, I mean, I can show this. I mean, it's not super, I mean, it's not super duper, but I mean, that's it. I mean, that's the character sheet I'm currently using. I mean, I'm covering part of it. So well, there's a front, a scale, back, and I mean there are a lot of details. And by the way, the next video lesson of the online course I will make is on character sheet. Okay, on how to make the character sheet. So that's more or less it. I mean, and I mean it's not the best character sheet ever. It can have more, but I mean it's basically you basically tell a direction on what you want to do, and then I usually fix my stuff into Photoshop. So let me show you an example of this. Let me find the file, okay? When I have it, here it lags a lot. Let me scroll here so it doesn't lag so much. So, okay, maybe this is a good example. So, this is a good example. Oh, you can probably see the difference here, okay? So, okay, that's a good example of how I fix my files later. So this is what comes out of the engine. I mean, can you see what these things has wrong? I mean, probably not. You probably see this and this you think this is very nice, right? But I mean, there are some things that are not exactly the same. But first of all, there is the double ribbon at the tail. Okay, then second of all, I mean, I don't have a golden chain on my belt there. I mean, it's on the front, not on the back. And third of all, I mean, there is a moon on my headphone. And it got rendered like as, a circle. So I go into Photoshop and then I edit my image. Do you see the difference? I mean, check the headphones, check the tail, check the belt. When I'm talking, check this. Let me put this here so it's easy to see. I mean, you see, take a closer look at the headphone, the chain and the belt. So you see the difference? Oh, actually I moved this, but it got centered again. Okay, you see the difference? There is a small difference, and this difference I edit them in Photoshop. Cause I mean, even if my character sheet is very detailed, I mean the fucking engine, I mean drifts keeps drifting. And sometimes the drift is small, like this. And I can fix it in Photoshop. Sometimes the drift is bigger and I don't even bother fixing it. Like for instance, let me find something. So you see, this is a very annoying drift when it happens, and I usually or remake the image or give it up completely, cause that's an annoying drift. Can you see what's wrong here in this image? Well, there's all the sleeves, they are attached. They shouldn't be attached. There is a small. They are made by two parts, but instead these are attached, and then one part of the chain. Yeah, the small details are hard to see, exactly. So, and you see here now, for instance, the boots are too big. I will never have to redesign this a little bit, and this is quite decent actually, but the sleeves, you see, one sleeves is all attached while the other instead is designed correctly. So this needs another pass into the generator. Same here, the sleeves is attached. That's quite decent. That needs just a small fix. As a little, I think that's, yeah, probably the sleeves here too. This is good, for instance. That's good. In fact, I rendered that. That's also is good. You see, that's very good. And that's also is quite good. Here we just fixed probably a little bit of of things. So, and you see now that the tail, the bottom of the tail is bad. So you probably have to go back into or Photoshop or the engine and fix the drift, even if I have a character sheet. Cause it still takes some time. Let me see if I have some other edited images, cause I'm pretty sure I have some other edited images in which I do some edits. I don't remember where I have them, but I'm pretty sure I edited some more of this particular patch. Maybe one more, probably. I don't remember. Maybe I didn't. Probably no, probably I didn't. I was sure I did edit also one more. But doesn't matter. Probably it's on another batch. It's probably on another patch. Yeah, it's on another patch. Okay. Well, anyway, but that's the point, right? You can't really avoid the things to drift. It will drift eventually. It will drift even if you have a very good character sheet. So you then have to or to use selective. But I will explain everything in my next lesson. My next lesson is on character sheet. So you will have everything there on the next lesson, cause that's exactly the next lesson of the course. Cause the first lesson ended up with hinting that the next lesson would be the character sheet, right? So just watch the next episode. That should be out next week, or if possible, probably next week, or maybe next week, probably next week. But anyway, I'm working on it right now, so that's it. Oh, by the way, Sir Psygon, before I have to go, let me show and also to all the others that joined late, let me show what we are working now at the moment. So, we are working on my game. We have decided that it will be a cookie clicker sort of game. And we are building all the elements for the cookie clicking things. Oh, this is broken. I have to fix this later. Yeah, I think this is easily fixable, but yeah, that's easily fixable, I guess, probably. Yeah, I think we can fix this. But anyway, so and so I'm working on a cookie clicker sort of game. And that should be more or less some concept art for the first area. I'm not saying it will be like this, but probably it starts here, okay? More or less here, something like that. Not exactly this place. I'm still trying to work these things out, but yeah, we will see. So, and basically you tap the oven to produce it, and then you start baking cakes. It's an incremental simulation idle game. Something like that. So we will see this in action later. But yeah, this is what I'm working at the moment. Well, not yet. I have some ideas, but this is some concept art. this is some concept art, and so I mean from the concept art, I mean I'm making some elements so I can start making a small game loop. Because otherwise I can't make a game loop if I don't have any asset to work with. I mean, oh well, I mean I would use boxes, but I mean it wouldn't be, I mean, exactly. I mean, I don't know, but yeah, I mean, I'm still in the planning phase, but it's going to be a cookie clicker sort of things with management. I mean, and this is more or less the concept art, and we were working on this earlier together. I mean, not really, because I remember your suggestion when you told me that it was boring, right? I mean, the other day you told me, yeah, I mean, watching the work is boring, and then I realized that the reason it's boring because I mean, you were not part of the craft. And so I mean I switched the things, and now I mean I do this we do this together. So basically we decide what to build, and then I build it, and then I build it. So I mean it's not just me doing stuff that I have to do, it's more that we decide something to build and we build it together, which is more similar to the way in which I make songs up to now. Because songs are made this way. No? I mean we decide something and then we make the song about it. And so I'm extending the same concept also to this. And so the concept of the game also came out of chat. I mean, we discussed it with the chat and we decided we would have want to go with the clicker thingy. And then, I mean, I tried to forget the suggestion, it crashed the stream. No, it was very helpful. It was very helpful. It actually shaped the future of the stream into a more detailed way, because now I mean, I'm trying to make everyone more I'm trying to build these things with everyone more, which I think is a good suggestion. It was a really good suggestion. I knew something wasn't wrong, but I wasn't able to grasp it. But that was probably what helped me focus it more. It was really good feedback. I mean, I really owe you that one. There over there was absolutely very good feedback. I mean, I'm not sure I still got the formula right. Uh, Maybe I should suggest him to put in to end the war. Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Maybe you should send suggestion to my Discord so people send me more to the chat. I mean, could be useful, probably. Yeah, probably. Yeah, but anyway, so and so I mean, so that's what we will keep working in the following days. I mean, we will start we'll continue build the game. And so the point is, I mean, you have seen some of the interface, you know where we're going. So if you or anyone else, I mean, this is a you generic, not you just you Serpsagon, but I mean in general. I mean, if you have ideas. And if you want to, I mean, have ideas for the games or something that you want in, or etc., I mean, then you tell me, and we try to build this together. So I mean, I think it could be really nice. And so yeah, right, yeah. I mean, we try this, so we try these things together, and we see how it goes from here, right? So and I also guess that's all for today, cause that's usually when I end my stream. And see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. We will keep going on with the game. Hopefully the assets that I'm making tomorrow will be made, so it will start fleshing out a little bit more the concept, or maybe just have a single, I mean, tap the fucking oven and get points so we can see how these things going on from there. I mean, and I mean, I still don't know. No, you know what I mean. I still don't know exactly how these things is going to do, but we will see. We will see. We will see. We will see. Okay, we will see. Okay, the game sound interesting. You wear many hats. Exactly. Because that's there will be hats. There will be cakes. There will be a lot of things in the game. So yeah. Yeah, okay, well, thank you very much, and see you tomorrow, let's get in touch in Discord, okay? I'm sure that after yesterday, I mean, yeah, whatever conversation I will have in Discord will be absolutely more pleasant than what happened yesterday. So Anyway, let's get in touch, okay? And thank you very much for watching. じゃあ、今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。またね。バイバイ。